Come like okay, everything running smooth. Voices running. I hope it's not echoing. Silent. So, hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the live stream of zbit.com. Welcome, user 115421, the first user. Congratulations for being the first user on the zbit live stream today. Thank you so much for joining it. Stay tuned. I'll be giving you trades. I'll be doing everything, but I have one task for all of you. If you don't have a sufficient balance to take a trade, click on the deposit icon and deposit your amount so that you can take a trade, because I'll be giving you a lot of good trades in the market is having a momentum, and I will discuss everything about market as well, everything. But for the YouTube people who are watching me from YouTube, I want to tell you why what is this live stream first, what is this Zbit, where it came from, and blah 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 blah. So Zbit is a crypto exchange platform, same like any other exchange platform like Binance, OKYX, Bybit, and everything, which offers you to trade into the cryptocurrency. Exactly like a same, but very different. In what way it is different? Because this is the most beginner-friendly app you can ever use. It like beginner-friendly app which is there in the market, or you can ever use, whatever you want to call it. Zbit stands out from those other platforms as we are, first, we are very new in the market. Okay. And as we are new, we are also giving a lot of good rewards for all those new user which is gonna join from the crypto, which is gonna join the Zbit for the first time. Basically, the new user rewards. Okay. Now, what are those reward? What you need to do for this reward? I will discuss it. But first, Zbit is can help you to start your crypto journey so that you can achieve a financial freedom in your life. a financial freedom which is required for you to have, because as we all know, like where the world is going, the inflation, the money is increasing, everything is expensive. Whatever you want to do, you want to move, you have to pay. Like if that kind of world is going on right now, in that world, if we are doing, why backend sucks. 1 second, backend got disconnected. Okay, back again. So, as I was telling you regarding financial freedom, yes. So, in this world where, like, most of the, like, let's say the most general audience who come on the crypto exchange platform, because this is public chain platform, okay, it's not for those big players who is sitting above, who's sitting on the top of the hierarchy level, who has a lot and lot of money, who actually makes the market move in whatever way they feel like. I'm not talking about those. I'm talking about general people who use the public platforms. This is public platform. Okay, this is not a decentralized platform. All the public platforms are centralized platform. They have to have government license to take like to run these exchange platforms, because we are public platform in, and you know, like the strength of the public in the number is very much high, and in this there is a lot of chances for like frauds, like anti-money laundering and blah 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 stuff. So that yes, every public blockchain is a centralized platform. They have to take the license from the government, otherwise they cannot run. It will be considered illegal only if they are not taking the centralized government's permission to run this and blah blah. You have to have a trading license for this. Okay, now, like I was speaking about, like the public blockchains are for these general people, which are like basically you can say, like maybe there can be unemployed people as well. I'm not denying this fact. Okay, there can be unemployed people. It can be the 9 to 5 job people who are struggling with the job, earning a very less amount and surviving in this world with this high finance, high maintenance finance can be a bit like very not a bit, but it can be a very like you are not living your life, you're just surviving your life. But once you add one more passive source of income in your life, which is basically passive source of income can come from a lot of different. I'm not saying that it is just trading, you have to do trading. No, there are multiple options for passive income source of trading. I won't give you like just like filter out options for you. There are multiple options. You can start business, you can start a startup, you can invest in a company, you can invest in some like property, real estate, and lot. There is a lot of more options. But why trading? Trading, out of all those options, there are so many options for the passive source of income which can generate a extra income for you, so that rather than just keeping on surviving the life, you can start living your life. So this extra income can come from various, but trading can be the most easiest, less investment, and safest compared to other stuffs. Okay, everywhere there is a risk. I'm not denying that business doesn't have risk, startup doesn't have risk, brand opening a mall, theater, and doing any other things, it doesn't have risk. It has a risk. Everything has a risk. All those things have a heavy investment to make. Obviously, you have to buy property, you have to invest a very hefty amount, then you have employees, you have this, you have that, blah 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 blah. It requires a lot big amount, which obviously this general audience don't have. We don't have that kind of amount to just go like woke up the next day and like, okay, I'm gonna start Reliance instead, like whatever company I want to start. I want to start this company, here is my check with a blank check, you fill it and give me a company. We cannot do that. Those are dreams. Then we wake up and then we realize, oh, 9 to 5 job, it's alarm, the alarm has gone ahead and I have to go to job. That's we, us. So in that situation, we don't have heavy investment to make. It's just in our dreams. Now how can we make that dream come true? Not just like this. Obviously, you, if you are starting from zero, you cannot reach the level 100 in like 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. You have to give time, a lot of time. If you're starting, if like let's say like people come, like people have this mentality, like they will invest $10, 10 USDT in the market, and they'll feel like, okay, today is the day I'm gonna make 100. It won't be like that. A 10 cannot be 100 like this. It cannot. There is like, if you keep that trade, like let's imagine like if Bitcoin was on the 75 level at the February, it was on the 75, the lowest to lowest, February March was the lowest 75, it does 75 74 something. Okay, In that point, if you have invested maybe 10 USDT and right now it is up there, maybe at that time you might have earned 100 to 150 or 200. That point, if it's jumping from 75,000 and going up to 120, 124 kind of level, then you might expect. But every day we cannot have like jumping from 75,000 to 120. Okay, so chill. It won't happen in one day. It will, like, all your profit depends on what kind of investment you make. So if you want to earn a big, invest a big. Simple. Why trading is the best out of all those passive source of income? Trading gives you one thing. See, first, it's free. This opening account is free. You don't have to like, you just have to simply register yourself. There is no registration fees, there is no opening account fees. You can simply use, you just have to put your money. Obviously we won't give you money to trade. Obviously this is not like a charity donation or NGO we have opened. This is a cryptocurrency platform. We are giving you a key which you, with which you can open your door of success. Okay, not our door but your door. So for that you have to invest. Now your investment depends on like what kind of profit you are hoping from the market. You hope $100, $10,000, $1,000, $2,000, $5,000. Then your investment also should be like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. Your $10, $20 cannot make 1,000 or 100. To be very frank, to be very blunt about it. Okay, invest big, trade big. Out of all these options, like if you consider opening a business, opening a startup, opening some real estate, buying some real estate, renting a property, doing this XYZ sort of thing, can it happen in 1,000 USDT? Can it happen? Can you start? Like even if you don't want, let's say like you don't want 100 USDT as your profit for one day, okay, you can still do a trading with just 10 USDT. Can you do it in the real estate, in the business, in the startup, in any other thing? No, you cannot. That's why, that's why trading is one of the most easiest, safest, like risk. I won't say risk free. There is a risk, no doubt that there is a risk, but compared to those things, because if you open a business, let's say I put $60,000. Okay, I put a $60,000 and I opened a business for me. And if it goes loss, I am gone. I will find a fan or something, because I will be in the depth of so many people's and I cannot repay that in like this. Earning $60,000 will be hard, but losing $10 won't feel anything to me if I even lose. So risk is there, but and take, like, we can take that risk. $10 risk we can take. We can take $100 risk as well, but not 60,000. That kind of risk we cannot take, because we, like, people may take a loan and blah 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 things to open those kind of stuff. That's why trading is one of the most safest, risk-free investment for your starting your like passive source of income. And extra money can be generated by this. Zbit offers you that platform. Zbit is that one public chain platform which is the best for the beginners, all the beginners. Because see, I get it a lot of, like, whenever I say trading, till now point in India, I'm specifically talking about, because in foreign country they have opted the cryptocurrency as the main hub for getting money for trading. But in India, there is still maximum to maximum people who are still believing trading means stock market. Trading means trading in gold, trading in commodities, indices, and all, because that's what they have been familiar with for so many times. Crypto is a very new concept for them, and they don't understand what a cryptocurrency, a trading in a cryptocurrency means. What kind of money can shower from the cryptocurrency compared to the stock? I will give you one very bit example. A stock market. Let's take one share. For example, let's say Apple share. Okay, an Apple share, if you buy right now, it might be, let's say, for example, let's say the Apple share is at uh 231. For example, we are just taking as an example. It is at 231. From that, if I invested today at 231, next day what can be the movement of the price? Maybe 232, 234, or 235 max. Max it can move like that in a day, like average movement of the stock market. I'm giving you an example of. They don't move like 231, 232, 233, 234. They don't move like that. They move like 231.5, zero point 0.6, zero point 0.7, zero point 0.8, zero point 0.9, zero point 0.10, and then it comes to 232. Then again 0.1, 0.1, 0.2, zero point 0.3. Very slow momentum, very slow rise of the market, very slow growth of the market, very slow profit of the market. And the same thing, and the same exact thing, if I put my money into the crypto market, the market won't be like it starts from 232 and it will go 234, 236. No, it might jump to 300, 350, maybe 400. Bitcoin market, crypto market has those quality that they are very volatile market. Volatile market gives you an option that you can, it depends on your skill then. See, volatility is a risk as well, volatility is a blessing as well. It's both. I won't deny this fact that it's actually the both. If you understand the volatility, if you understand the market at that moment, if you understand volatility, you can capture the momentum of 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 points like this, and you can gain so much of money, and that too within hours or 2 hours. You don't even have to wait for like days and days and days, but you have to wait for that moment. Obviously, Bitcoin is not like every minute it is having a pump and dump, pump and no. Sometimes it stay, it rest, it pumps, then dumps, then rest. We have to find that moment. That's why I said skill is important. If you have the skills of trading, then volatility is the best thing which you are required to need right now to earn a lot of good amount of money, because volatility can help you in gaining a lot of good intraday profit. Now what is intraday profits? Intraday means like you are entering the market, taking profit, exiting in that one day itself. It won't be like, considering I'm just giving you example of one day, it won't be even one day. I entered at, let's say I entered by 12, right now it is 12:90. I entered by the 12:90 and I'm exiting the platform by 12:30, 12:45 or 1. That's all, and I took a very good amount of profit with a good amount of investment. That is totally fine. It's common in everywhere. It's common in stock, indices, commodities, or cryptocurrency. All these four trading platforms, one thing is very common. If you buy good quantity, then you get good profit. If you buy less quantity, you get less profit. It is a fact. Don't be in that delusional that I invest small and I will be having a lottery. This is not scratch card. Okay, this is a complete legit real market which you are trading on. Okay, it's not a luck factor or something. For some people, yes. If you don't have, like, for example, if I consider me that I don't have a skill of trading, I just put a money, and in that moment itself the market was on the demand zone, and from there it jumped. For me, it will feel like a luck. For other people who do, who knows, like, okay, I knew this would happen, for them it won't feel luck. Getting my point? Skill is very important. Okay, now understand this one thing, that now you might be having the one toughest question, like, that's what we are lacking. We don't have a skill to understand the crypto market. We don't have a skill to, like, to do trading and every of those things. But that's where Zbit is the best for all the beginners, and I will tell you why. Because of the rewards and the features they are providing to all our new audience. It's existing audience and new audiences, for both. There are some rewards which is not for the existing audience, but there are like there is 2 to 3 common rewards for everybody and extra one for the new people. Okay, I will talk about those. First, it's completely free. No registration fees, nothing at all. Opening account is completely free. The only thing you need to do is from your end is deposit the money, because obviously you have to deposit and then only you can take a trade. If you don't have capital account, capital, see, in trading language, in trading, like, if you become, like, if you be a part of a trading, in trading language there are few jargons which you need to understand. Capital means, it's not like I'm asking you the capital of a state or capital of a country, whatever those things. I'm not asking for that. Capital in trading means your bank balance. We talk in a normal general tone. We talk, what's your bank account, what's your bank balance, bank balance, bank balance. In trading platform, we talk, bank balance is just equal to capital account, capital amount. What kind of amount you are having in your bank, in the trading bank, we call it wallet. Okay, that's all. It's very simple. So when I say capital, don't get confused like what is capital, what is it talking about. It is just a bank balance of the trading from which you will be using to take a trade. Got it? Cool. Now, what are the rewards which which you will be getting? First, there are steps, three simple, very steps. It's not very hard steps. Three very simple steps which you need to do to gain the first reward. First is obviously register yourself, which is basically it will look like, one second. Let's go for sign up. Yeah, it will look like this. It will just look like this. Yeah, create an account. You just fully fill your country code, whatever country code it is, then email address, password. Click on the, if you have invite code, you can put an invite code. Click on this and sign up. That's all. This is the first step. You have successfully registered. Congratulations. And it will take you to this page, like some kind of this page, and it will give you one pop-up. That pop-up is your first reward, which is, let's see. Yeah, which is this. Can you see this? Here, it went. Yeah, this is lucky spin. This is the first reward which you will be getting. Okay, you will be getting from our end. See, we get this one thing, like first taking a first step in whatever task, even if it's like waking up for the office, that is a first step for your day. Taking a first step of a day is the most important thing, because that's what we need to make, and for that you need to get appreciated. Now, as a Zbit people, as a Zbit team, I would like to appreciate you for taking the first step to register, and we will be offering you a first ever crypto token for completely free of cost. But it depends on what you get. This is a lucky spin. Can you see on the screen? It will go okay. It will, this is the lucky spin in which you will be getting like mysterious one coin. Okay, it's not a game, it's just mysterious one coin you will be getting, and that is your coin. That is completely your coin. You will be getting it for free of cost. It may be meme coin, it may be a altcoin, or it may be a stable coin as well, because no, we cannot know which coin is it, you cannot know which coin is it, until unless you just tap on the spin and you will get the first coin. Okay, how to get that coin? If you just get, like, it will, you spin it, one coin will pop up, and that's your coin with whatever xyz quantity below it. Okay, once you get that xyz amount of quantity and that coin, it won't directly go to your wallet. No, first it will show you which kind of coin you earned. There are two more steps left for you to complete, so that this coin, the free coin, okay, no charges on it, I'm telling you again. Okay, there are no charges on that coin. It is completely free of cost coin that will be given to you after completing these steps. First step, registration you took, and you got the reward of the, like, the mysterious coin. Which coin you will be getting? That is a first crypto asset you will be getting from Zbit, completely free. Second reward is your KYC. Very simple. As a financial platform, every financial requires to know their customer. We need to know your customer for anything. Like, it's not just for our safety, it's also for your safety. And every of this, we need to verify you. We need to know who you are and blah blah blah. It's very common. Okay. Then after KYC, you need to do deposit. Now it depends on you what kind of deposit you want to take. It starts with a minimum of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10. If you deposit $10, then and then only you will be receiving the cryptocurrency. Can you, like, the first cryptocurrency in the lucky spin, you got the free cryptocurrency, then and then only you will be receiving that coin into your wallet. Okay, if you deposit $10, and don't get very like, oh my god, $10, I don't have. It's $10 is nothing other than 900 INR in Indian money. Okay, I know we spend more than that in the clubs, the drinks, and every of those things. Okay, so 900 is not a thing. It's okay. We can invest one time $900, and it's not like you are paying for that cryptocurrency. No, that $10 will reflect into your bank balance, which is your capital account. Okay, it will reflect there that you have $10, which you can use that $10 for whatever, like you want to take a trade, do a spot trading, future trading, whatever amount, whatever kind of trading you want to do, you can do it with that. It is not for the cryptocurrency. It is just a condition that $10 is completely full sale. Like, they, from that $10, not even $1 we are asking from you. It's your $10. You will be using it for taking your trade. Got it? Now, after that, first trade. If you want to do spot trading, fine, you can do a spot trading. But if you want to use our the second reward, which is best reward. Why? Because see, as we know, most of the people, when they take a first trade, they are always afraid, like what if it goes wrong? I don't have that much skills regarding trading. What if my trade goes wrong? What if I have a loss? What if I have this? I need my first experience, because we know how much a first experience matter to a person. First experience can teach you a lot of things in our life. It can be from like taking a first step, the first ride, the first bicycle ride, the first fail of the exam, the first this, first this, first that. Everything first has given us a like unforgettable lesson in our life. Got it? So I get it. When you will take the first trade in the zbit.com, that will be, it will give you a lesson, and we don't want that lesson to be like a bad lesson for all of you. Okay, so for that thing, for first experience and the first trade, for all the new user, not for the existing user, I'm telling you again, because it is a new reward. If existing people will ask like, I didn't get it, I didn't get it, it's not for you. You already came before. The reward is new. I'm really sorry for that, but this is a new reward. Okay, and this is for the new users. So once you want to take a first experience in trading, how it happens, what I need to do. Because in first step, there are 2 to 3 things. Obviously, even if you are practiced, like, okay, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, I'm going to do this, something unexpected things might happen and it might go wrong. There is a probability of that. So the reward is that the first future trade will be free. Till it won't be like you can take $10,000 quantity kind of stuff. No, limited. We will be giving you a free future trade of worth 10 USDT. Okay, that worth trade you can take up to 10 USDT. We'll be offering you. Now, if you want to put leverage on that, you want to change your margin, blah 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 thing, but no spot. Okay, no spot. Only in future. Only, not only fans. Only future. Only future. Got it? So first trade, we will be giving you 10 USDT from our side. Okay, this is our investment for all of you people, because we want to you like, rather than investing your money for the first experience, invest our money, learn from it, what you can, whatever you thinks you can learn from the market in the first step, and you will take how to take a trade, how to do this, what happened in the market, the anxiety you will feel, the psychology pressure you will feel, like what happened to my money, what happened to money. That thing you can do it with a calm for the first experience. Okay, because once we take the first step, the second step feels like a butter, like then it is smooth, it's smooth. So for first trade, we will give you the 10 USDT to take the first trade in the future. You can pick whatever coin you want to pick from the future trade. Okay, there are like option like this. Once again, this, can you see this trade? One second, loading. Okay, so this is the future trade of the market, this is the future assets, and in here you can see multiple coins, whatever. See, it doesn't have any condition that you have to take this coin, that coin, this coin, that coin, this coin, that coin. No, you can take whatever coin which is available at the zbit.com at the future trade. Okay, you can pick whatever coin you want to pick your coin, do your market analysis. Or I will tell you the third feature, which is common for existing and the new user both. So you can take a trade, and best part about it, like I said to you, that it's a first experience. We don't want a first experience to go wrong. So even if you have a loss, let's say like you invested $10, and you, like if went against, okay, and it happens, you don't have to feel bad. Okay, oh my god, you don't have to feel those kind of stuff. Market goes wrong, sometimes it goes against you, sometimes it goes against your trade. That is totally fine. It's just one trade. There are more billions of trade left for you to achieve the profit. So if in that first trade, if you have a loss, that loss won't be your loss. We will take care of that loss. Okay, it's our money. We gave you the investment money, and we will take care of the your loss, whatever loss you have like maximum you can have $10 loss. Okay, maximum, because that's what we are giving to you. You cannot have more than $10 loss. $10 is a max. If you have $5 loss, $4 loss, $6, whatever amount of dollar loss you have, We will take care of it. You don't have to do anything for it. Loss, we will take care. But let's say you are the lucky one and you got the profit. You took a trade and you are getting a profit and every of those things. Understand this one thing, because this is very important for you to understand, because most of the people have this very main question in their head. Okay, that 10 USDT we provide to you is a bonus money. Bonus. Okay. It is not the real money. That is a bonus money. It will show that it is there in your wallet. Okay. For first trade, it will show that it is there. After that thing, your first trade you took, let's say that you invested $10 and you got $3 as a profit. Let's just imagine that you got $3 as a profit with that investment. After that, whatever is your profit, for example, we had $3 profit, that profit will stay in your wallet. That $10 bonus will go away. So you don't have to think where did my money go and everything. That $10 USDT is just a bonus. After first trade, it won't be there. Okay, you cannot withdraw that $10 bonus. You can withdraw the profit. That's your profit. You can withdraw your profit, but you cannot withdraw the 10 USDT bonus amount. Get that thing. Okay. Whatever amount of profit you get, that's your profit. It will show in your wallet. Now, for that thing, again, like I said to you, it is a one-time deal. One-time deal. Okay. So don't go for like, I will invest $1 right now. I want to see just because after one investment, we are giving you 10 USDT. Okay, it's up to you if you want to invest $1, $2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, or complete 10. My belief is that invest complete 10, because that's one time you will be getting. Even if, for example, let's say that you have 10 USDT and you from there you just invested 2, that 8 is not going to come back for you to take a next investment. Okay, so you get one chance, first free trade only. So invest complete 100. Nobody cares, because that's a bonus money. Okay, invest completely so that you can have a good amount of profit. With 1 to 2 USDT, you might be getting just 0.5, 0.05, those kind of profit, which is like completely like kind of negligible. Okay, so it's a first one time you will be getting. You don't have second chance for that. One time, after one time, that 10 USDT is gone. Just profit stays in your wallet. If you have loss, it won't be in your wallet. That loss, like minus this, minus that, you don't have to pay. It won't be cut from your capital account. Nothing will be there. We will bear the loss. Got it? This is the second reward which Zbit is offering to all the users. Now, what is the third reward? Third is the one of the best reward. Why? Why it is one of the best reward? Third reward is not even a reward, it's a feature. It's a Zbits feature that is basically this. What is happening right now? I'm speaking, I'm talking about market. I'm like, actually, right now I'm talking about the rewards and I'm explaining how to use Zbit and every of those things. But other than this, I also on this live platform, I teach you regarding trading, how to do it, how to find the market entry points. I also give you trades on the live, like I come by, like, see, we have timings. Okay, we are not 24/7 available, to be very fair. Uh, Tuesday, yeah. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we have 4 hours of live streaming. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we have 8 hours of live streaming for you. This live stream is for all the new user plus the existing user to know that this is like a push button knowledge. Okay, if you want to gain any knowledge regarding the trading, how to do trading, how to read the market, how to do market analysis, how to do technical analysis, blah 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 blah. Give me a trade, make me profit, and can you help me recover the loss? Can you tell me how to use Zbit? Can you tell? I don't understand future trading. I don't understand this. I don't understand this. My withdrawal is not there. My deposit is not there. I'm having any issues. I'm having this issue. I'm having that issue. This is that live stream for you to join, resolve any of your problem. Any. Okay, it doesn't depend on just withdrawal, deposit, or anything. It also is like you want to learn trading. This is the platform. This is the live stream you can come. You want to take a trade, you want help in taking trade, this is the live stream. I will give you trades. Whatever, if I see, like in my time, okay, by 12 to 4 I come live. 12 to 4, if in that time I feel that I am like I there is a movement, there is a good movement in the market, and I can give you a trade regarding that. Or I can also give you like, is there any welcome bonus for new user? Yes, there is. There are two which I just talked about. First is a lucky spin. Okay, once you register and once you open an account, you will be getting a lucky spin, which you will be getting an XYZ mysterious cryptocurrency completely free of cost. The second welcome bonus is 10 USDT free trade, free future trade you will be getting. First free future trade worth of 10 USDT. With that 10 USDT, you can take a trade in future, only in future, and whatever coin, it's up to you. You want to take whichever, you can pick whatever coin you want to pick and you can trade in that. If you have a profit, that's your profit. After profit, that 10 USDT will be gone from your account. It won't be visible in your wallet. So don't consider it as a loss. That 10 USDT was never yours. It was just a bonus. Got it? Whatever profit you earn from that, that will be in your wallet. That will be there. XYZ, $1, $2, $3. It depends on what profit you earn. Even if you have a profit of 0.01, that will be there in the wallet. Okay. So it depends on how much profit you can make. Got it? You can withdraw that profit, but not the bonus. Understandable? User 943,865. I hope I told you. Okay. So just a second. Just one second. Just one second. Okay. So hi, users 365322. Welcome on the Zbit live stream. I'm just talking about what is this live stream, what you can take a help of, every of those things. Okay, so I was where I was at first feature trade I talked about. Yes, the live stream. Yeah, this live stream is completely for all this user to learn. This is one opportunity for you to grab it. You can learn anything regarding market, how to do anything, like whatever is your doubt related to crypto. Okay, I cannot solve the family issues, I cannot solve the girlfriend boyfriend issues. Okay, so whatever there is a doubt regarding market, how to learn, how to find, how to trade, give me trade, recover my loss, blah 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 blah. This is a 4 of live streams which is there for you, completely free of cost. Completely free of cost. Got it? Okay. So on that note, let me start with how to use Zbit, because a lot of people are like every day new people comes and they have a very common question like, tell me how to use Zbit, tell me how to use Zbit, tell me how to use Zbit. So I'm telling you how to use Zbit. First, let's go to the marketplace. Let's start from the beginning. Let me just log in into my account, because there are some options we cannot see if you don't log in. Just give me one moment. I'll log in into my account. Huh. Okay. Done login. Drag it back. Got it. Okay. So this is the first of first, whatever you will see the interface in the zbit.com. It's a marketplace where you will be having like top three, top four, top five. Right over here you can see there Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. Bitcoin and Ethereum are stable coins. Solana is altcoins, alternate of the Bitcoin or Ethereum, not a stable one. Okay. Now you can see there are filters. Spot, these are spot markets. They might, the price might vary in spot and future. Okay. And this is a future. This is a future market right over here. You can pick your, if you click on the stars, if you click on the stars and every of those things, and then you can go to the future. There are the favorites will be here, so that it can help you sort out your what coins you want to observe. Basically your portfolio, like these are the coins I want to focus main every day I want to see. So rather than finding it every day, searching it, you can just simply come and put the favorite mark over here and it will come to the favorite. Okay. Favorite has two options. One is spot, one is future. If I go in a spot, if I click on this favorite, then it will show in the spot as well. See this. Okay, simply this is one of the this thing. Like you can observe the filter out version for you. Like I want to observe this specific point. And till the point I'm explaining you how to use Zbit. My one and solely request for all of the people, because it has happened. Okay, it has happened. That's why I'm giving you this request. I will give you trade, okay, and that trade will be like entry will be like this and exit will be like this. So it has been a many time that when I give you entry, at that point people realize, oh, I don't have a sufficient balance in my account and blah 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 blah. And once you go on deposit, it won't get deposit instantly. It might take 10 minutes, 15 minutes or 20 minutes, and 10 to 50 to 20 minutes, like it is like you have your entry is gone till that point in the market. So my request for all of you people, that first, whenever you come on this live stream, entering in the live stream, check your deposit. If you have sufficient deposit, that is totally fine. But if you don't have deposit, in the live stream option, there is a two option: deposit and take a trade. Click on the deposit option. It will take you to that platform. You can deposit it, whatever XYZ amount you are ready to deposit today, that this is the amount I want to invest today, and blah 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 blah. So you invest that amount and it will take 10 to 15 to 30 minutes to come to your wallet. Okay. So rather than doing at the moment when I am giving you trade, do it previously. Uh, Make it a habit. Okay, make it a habit. Whenever you enter live stream, imagine this one thing only ki, like, yes, Yash has came here to give you trades, give me trades, make me profitable in my account. Got it? So for that I need to be prepared for with everything. My deposit should be there, I should be attentive for the market, I should be listening to the live stream, so that whenever he gives me a trade, I will enter in the market. Understand this thing. Okay, now coming back to the Zbit. First, this is the market. This is how it looks. Future market, spot market, blah blah blah. There is nothing like very special. You can just see the all-time high, the low, and blah blah blah, last price, change price, blah, every of those things. Okay, leave those things. This is just normal basic info kind of stuff. Okay, now if we go into the trade, in the trade you will see two options. One is spot. If you want to do spot trade, you can go for spot trading. You want to do for future trading, you can go for future trading. Okay, I will if people know want to know a spot trick, because spot is a long term trade. Okay, and we know long time trade in Bitcoin is risky, a bit risky. Why? Because of the volatility. For example, right now if I enter, like this is Ethereum chart. Okay, let's see, like I feel like today I want to invest in the Bitcoin, sorry, in the Ethereum, which is at 4333. I want to invest money. I want to invest, let's say I want to buy one Ethereum, two in Ethereum, or maybe 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.5, whatever kind of. Welcome user 442820. I'm explaining you how to use rebate for the trading, so you can clear your doubts as well. If you are new user, then it is best for you. If you are existing user, you can just refresh your memory of how to use zbit for doing a trading. Okay, so for spot, let's say why I am saying that it is risky, more risky than future by doing spot trading. I will tell you why. Let's say for example that today market is at 43333. You may feel like, see, from here, from 4525 market fell down till where 4332, you will feel like market fell down so much. Now this is a point where I should go for a spot buying. When it comes over here, I will sell it. But volatility is such a bitch that it might drop the market the next 2 day, next the next, because spot won't be like in that day itself you are taking the money. In spot we wait for a long term trade. Maybe we will wait for 1 week, maybe 1 month, maybe 1 year. Okay, in that point, multiple best entries you might be getting, multiples, because it's regarding the volatility. It will drop the market so much. It may can, like, I am not denying this fact that there is a high possibility that market can even go to 3000 again, maybe the next week, maybe the next 2 to 3 week. Okay, it can happen. So you will lose your entry basically if you go buy such kind of coins. But I have a best trick for spot. Rather than entering in Ethereum, Bitcoin, and every those things, always, if you want to earn a good amount in spot trading, do not focus on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP. XRP, okay, XRP you can focus on because XRP is at like that cheap price. Okay, but rest of the, other than this, you can focus on those coins which is under a dollar, like this, like 0.2, 0.0. No, this is Pepe. Don't go for meme coins for a long term investment. Okay, meme coins for long term investment, it may happen, but it may happen, it will take a long time. The stable coins, sorry, the altcoins can, the thing, the can make the profit in maybe 1 year. Meme coin might take more than 3 to 4 years to give you the same amount of profit. So it's better to go for altcoins rather than meme coins for a long term investment. Don't go for altcoin. Find and stable, sorry, altcoins which is under a dollar, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8. There are so many on the Zbit platform, okay, which you can find and which you can invest. Because at one moment, at one point, this 0.5, 0.6, 0.002, whatever it is, it will have a profit. One maybe in the month, 2 month, 6 month, 1 year, 1.5 year, it will touch $1 for very sure. In that moment, if you buy a heavy quantity as in, let's say 2000 coins of that, 3000 coin, 5000 coin, 10,000 coin, 50,000 coins, when the coin touches $1, you will be having that quantity as a profit. If you invested to, if you have 2000 coin, you will be having $2000, because one coin will be $1. You have 2000 coin becoming $2000, 3000. And right now it is cheap because it is not even a dollar. It is 0.5, 0.2, 0.1. So you will be getting it at a cheap price, and you don't have to worry regarding volatility in this price level. When the price hits 4,000, 5,000, 1,000, 200, 3, that's the risky place for long term investment. Not such kind of, like, this is a basically start. Okay, in the starting, if you invest, that's a good for a long investment. And if you see, like, already that market is at a peak level, like very close to the all-time high. At that moment, going for buy or like spot buy, it's very risky. Got it? So whenever you want to do a spot trading, always and always try to go for such kind of coins, which is like 0.7, 0.5, 0.4, like under a dollar coin, but it should not be meme coin. Not. Meme coin won't have momentum until and unless there is something influential or a big impactful news, and that too by some guy, like maybe from Elon Musk, maybe from the owner, maybe from this or XYZ. Until that thing would happen. And trust me on this one very fact, big players, the institutional people, corporate people, the banks, the one who has very huge money to pour into the crypto market, they don't invest in meme coin because it's no use for them. We use for profits, we want extra passive source of income in our life. They already have passive source of income in their life. Okay, then why are they using it? They are using it for the transactions. This transaction, because crypto transaction is much more easier, safer, cheaper compared to the bank transfers. So they use it for a transactions, and they're using it to make them safe from the, like, maybe, like, see, they are having a future guess. It's not like it's gonna happen situation, but it is like for them to make them safe from the inflation which may rise in the future, as dollar price may hike or any other currency may hike. And we all know that this cryptocurrency has nothing to do with the country currencies like INR, like USD, yen, blah 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 blah. Nothing to do with that. Okay, they are completely free. They are like, that's why the cryptocurrency was so much booming till now. It's booming because this is a freedom for the currency. Nobody has any control. Nobody has anything, and the price will depend obviously on the number of investment money stacked into that coin. People say that like cryptocurrency, the price will stay stable and blah blah blah. No, that's not true. That's not at all true that cryptocurrency price will be stable and blah blah blah. We won't have say in it, like the government has say, like, okay, we will do this cut, we will do that cut from today. I will print this, like, more you print, the more supply you have, the more cheaper your currency get, kind of stuff. Okay, in this cryptocurrency doesn't have that law, that rules, the regulation. The prices, the value of the cryptocurrency depends on the number of money stacked into that coin. If, let's say, Bitcoin has uh, 3 trillion stacked. Okay, 3 trillion stacked. Stacked means like it's in a locker. Okay, it is there. It is not moving somewhere. It is just there. That much value is been hold with the, if you imagine it, visualize it, like if you consider like the bundles of note, consider 3 trillion notes are standing tall, and on that top, Bitcoin value is there. Okay, if you take out the bundle from there, the value drops. Take more bundle, value drops. That is basically, the more money comes out from that Bitcoin market, the value will drop. It's not stable. It's not like, the if it touches this level, it's gonna stay constant. It's gonna, if, let's just imagine, from that 3 trillion, 1 trillion goes tomorrow, the Bitcoin price, which is staying at 121, I guess 121. Let me see. Plus Bitcoin price, yeah, 121K. It might fall to 80. It might fall to 70. It might fall to 60. If I take 1 trillion out of the market. So the value of the cryptocurrency depends on how much money is inside that market, that specific coin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, blah, 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 blah. Whatever amount is stacked is there, locked into the lock. If they take it out, value drops. If they put it more, value increases. Got it? Simple. So I was explaining you regarding, yes, market. So spot is very simple. Okay, spot has no explanation. Now this is future. This is future. Let's come to the spot. I will explain the simplest stuff first, and then we can shift to the difficult one. Okay, so this is the simplest. Spot is very simple. Like you have only two options. If you want to understand what is this is basically your chart. You can you can see this option. You can make the chart big. You can exit it. You can exit and you can make the chart small. Okay, I don't want that. I don't want that. I don't. You can exit it and you can just make it small. This first is a candle. You can pick whatever candle you want to use. Hollow candle, Hakinashi candle, line, area, baseline, whatever you want to use. The next option to the candle is your indicators. We can see the strength of the market, where the market is trying to move, and every of those things we can check. There are all these indicators are free indicators. Okay, it's no charges, nothing. Every indicator is completely free. Everybody has their own strategy regarding the indicators. Okay, if you can learn it from some YouTube and every of those things, so you can learn this strategy. You can apply this indicator on the chart directly. Default there are two like three indicator which are there in the market, like MA is moving average 5, 10, 30. It will just show you till, like, it will give you crossover signals of buy and sell signal. Okay, but I don't trust those signals because it depends on, like, the market is very volatile. You never know. A quick buying will come, it will show you crossover, and the next moment the market will start falling. So it's no point for me to use indicator. I really feel that thing. Okay, everybody might have different thing. So this is indicator thing, and then this is 15 minute, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 4 hour, 1 day, 1 week. This is a chart time frames. This is 15 minute of the market. One candle represents 15 minute. If I shift on 30 minute, then one candle represents 30 minute. Okay. If I shift on 60 minute, one candle is forming in 1 hour. Same goes for 4 hour, 1 day, 1 week, and there are more. 5 minute, 15, 5 minute, 1 minute, and 1 month. You have all these options. Got it? Okay. Now, other than this, let me just delete this. Other than this, can you see, sometime you might see like this tool icon is gone. It is not gone. Can you see this arrow? Sometime it is like this. Okay. Can you see it? Right? One second. Ah, okay. Sometime it is like this arrow. Okay. You just have to tap on this arrow and it will pop up. It is not gone, or it is not gone anywhere. Okay. You simply just have to tap. It will come out. And you can use xyz amount of like this thing, like you use it for the drawing. You can mark your lines, you can do your trend line stuff, you can draw the indicator, you can draw that this thing, chart patterns, and blah blah stuff. You can use a Fibonacci to see where the retracement might come. Is basically all of your tools. Got it? Okay, after that, this thing this thing is very important. At the same point, nobody watches it. At the same point, you feel, if you, even if you watch it, you won't have a clear idea about what is going on. But I can explain you. See, this is an order book. Order book is basically what is happening in the right now market. All those red things which you can see, these things are sell orders. Of what amount, with what sum, everything you can see over here. Okay, like what kind of Ethereum quantity, with what price, and blah blah. They are trying to sell, and these are the one who are buying. Okay, and this thing will try to match the sell order, which is trying to sell 0.22 or blah blah, and the guy who's trying to buy the exact amount. They will match. Order will get placed over here. You can see this order getting placed over here, and it will show into the market rate. Now constantly you can observe at whatever, every time frame. Like it is right now 1 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 1 minute. So at that moment you can see what kind of trade is going on. Every red trade can show you that maximum people are trying to sell. You can clearly see it's red. Maximum. There are greens as well, but you can have a clear picture like what is happening right now. In the right now movement, if there are maximum sellers in the market or maximum buyers in the market, you can check it from this trade, market trades. It will tell you like, okay, right now buy happened, right now sell happened, 3 sells, 4 to 5 buys, then again 1 sell, 4 to 5 buys. It will tell you regarding everything in the market what is happening, like every trade it will tell you. So it is very useful because with this help you can know where the majority of people are people going for buy, are people going for sell, and every other thing you can know from here. Okay, after this, take a trade simply. If you feel you did your market analysis, you did your technical analysis, and you want to enter at right now moment, just simply go for buy, and the buy order will get placed. You have to just put the quantity. You can simply drag it from here as well. Okay, you can simply drag it from here as well, whatever amount you want to have, like 20% I want to buy, 30%, 50%, blah 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 blah. You can just simply put the quantity as well from your manually, like for example typing like 0.1 blah, 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 blah. You can type it whatever you want to type, or you can just drag that option and pick like I want to buy 10%, 20%, 3%, 4%, blah 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 blah. You can do that as well. Got it? This quantity, this percentage will be according to your wallet balance. This is where it will be, your wallet balance will be showing over here. Okay, now we are at the limit order. Now limit order means what is limit order? Limit order means that I am not satisfied with right now price of the market. मेरे को नहीं, not proper हिंदी, मुझे नहीं, wait a second. मैं नहीं चाहता हूं कि ये प्राइस पे मैं मार्केट में एंटर करूं. मैं चाहता हूं कि मार्केट, मुझे ऐसा लगता है, मेरे से फीलिंग है कि मार्केट शायद तक 3600, 3200 या फिर 4000 तक गिर सकती है. Right now market is at what? 4340 rupees. I feel like market may can come down to 4000 level. So I want to enter at 4000. Even if it doesn't come, then I have not entered in the market. That money is not placed. That money will be entering in the market when this, for example, let's go for, okay, I put what? 4000. 4000 I did. Now the point at that moment when the market will come to that 4000, this market will fall down to the 4000, then and then only my market will execute my order. If it doesn't come to 4000, no execution, nothing, no execution is happening over here. But if it comes to that point, and then only it will execute more. That is called as limit. That I am putting my limit, that this is my limit, I want to enter. Limit is like, you can consider as a preference order. It should have called as preference order than more than limit. That this is my preference, I want to enter at 4000, this is my choice. Okay, so this is limit order. Very simple. You can enter at whatever time you are, whatever value you want to enter. It won't execute your order until and unless it is there. Got it? Cool. This is limit. And once you come to this market, can you see just beside this, you can see market. Tap on the market. Best market price. Best market price is what? Whatever current market is going on. 4339. Right now it is 439.6.87.4340. Whatever current market, this current price, you can see on that bar. Okay. This current price, it will execute. You just have to see what kind of USDT you want to invest. I want to invest complete $5, $1, $2, blah blah blah, whatever I want to invest, I will invest. I just go and buy. That's all. If you see, if it shows you insufficient balance, this is your deposit option. If you have profit, this is your withdrawal option. Simple. Got it? Very simple. This is the most simple. This is for buy, and this is for sell. You cannot directly sell it until unless you buy it. You have to buy, then you can sell. If you don't buy, you cannot sell. Simple. Once you buy and then you feel like, okay, I have good amount of profit now, come on the sell platform, choose the market price, or you can do the limit as well. Same again here. Okay, like for example, I bought it over here. Okay, for example, I bought at this price. I feel like market can come to this level. We'll change it to white color for visibility. Okay, I bought at this price. I feel market can again travel slowly, 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 and it can come to 5,000 level. I can put the limit that I want to take it at 5,000. I will just simply go delete over here and I will put 5,000. Whenever market will hit that 5,000 level, your market order will execute whatever profit, and you can pick like what kind of I want to take 50% of my profit, 20% of my profit, 70, 80, whatever amount of, or 100% of my profit. Like you want to sell all the Ethereum, you want to sell 20% of your Ethereum, you want to sell 30%. Charging. You want to sell 10% of the Ethereum, like whatever you have buy. Like for example, if I have 10 Ethereum, then if I want to just sell 20%, 2 Ethereum will be sold. If I want to sell 50%, 5 Ethereum, I can sell 5, I can keep it for more profit. Simply that. Okay. You want to do 100%, you can do 100, 70, 7, 50, 60, whatever. In between is also there. It's not like just 20, 30, 50. Okay. In between, whatever you want to pick, you want to pick 60, 40, 50, 30, 40, blah, 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 blah. You can pick that point and you can sell that amount. Simple. Spot is this simple. Hard is no, it's not even hard. It's just like there are too many options which can make you confused in the future. So let me take you to the future. I hope you have understood future how to do the spot trading. Very simple, very simple, very simple. Why? You want, if you want a limit, you can put a limit or just simply enter at market price, whatever amount. If you want to go for like complete, like I have, let's imagine if I have $5, okay, 5 USDT, then you can enter complete 5, or you want to enter at 50%, that is basically 2.60, blah 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 blah, whatever you want to do. Okay, now come to the future trade. Future trade will be same, like this is same, the chart is same, the order book is same, so I don't have to explain the chart. You can see a little overview of the market as well, of the Ethereum, like what was the price, how much percentage up, what is the mark, what is the mark price, what is the index price, what is the funding rate slash in 8 hours, in 8 hours how much funding happened. Predicted rate was 0.00069, and what is happening right now, 0.016. It is more, so it is market is staying in a profitable situation. Okay, a 24-hour volume, how much money came in that 24-hour volume in USDT till now point in 24 hour, 3.43 billion invested in the market for trade. Like see, it will show you the volume can be for anything. Volume indicates inflow and outflow both. It just doesn't indicate inflows. Okay, it indicates both because volume is like for buy and sell both. Okay, now you heard this is the same. Oh, I forgot to explain you one situation in spot. Okay, in this, once you enter in the market, if you want to keep on tracking how much profit you are in the spot, this is spot right now, this is not spot. Okay, this is a spot. You put a buy order or whatever, and it will show over here. Open order means whatever is currently running. Currently running means currently in the trade. It will show over here. Order history means whatever has been done already. Your profits, your loss. Trade history, funds is basically how much deposit you made, how much withdrawal you took, and blah 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 scenario. Got it? This is just that thing. Okay, your open order, this is where you can track your order. From here you can cancel it, from here you can exit, from here you can do any of those things which you want to put. Okay, you can also put your SL, like take profit SL and every of those things from here as well. Got it? Simple stuff. Then come to the future trading. Okay, so this is future. Same, it might look same, chart looks same, a little price difference might be there. Right now here is at 43378. In the spot, Ethereum is at 434041. You can see a little difference, price difference you might feel. That's because of this is a contract. and that is a legit real Ethereum market. This is a contract. This is like what you can, I can give you example of. Mhm. Mhm. Okay, so this is the how to trade scenario over here. This is the block which will help you to take a trade in the market and enjoy those things. It is already very simple, but still, let me explain. Let's start from the starting. Okay, from here the block starts. Okay, this is the block starting, and this is the block end. Now let's talk about the first option, which is isolated, which is your margin mode. How to change your margin is also a most asked question in the live stream. So what is a margin, what is cross, what is isolated, how to change, and blah blah thing. You can simply come on this platform. The first option you can see on when you want to enter in the trade scenario of the Bitcoin, the first thing you will see is the margin. You want to change your margin mode. There are two margin mode. One is cross, second one is isolated. What does cross means? Let's take an example that you have. I will explain over here. Okay. Let's take example that you have available balance. Can you see available balance over here? This is your capital account. Available balance capital account. Okay. Simple. Let's say you have 10 USDT. Got it? You entered for buy. You entered for buy. You took the value of, let's say you got 0.5 Ethereum at a price of 5 USDT. With it's just an example, okay? It won't be the same. It's just example I'm giving. You bought 0.5 Ethereum with what price? 5 USDT. So your capital account from 10 will become 5 USDT, because 5 USDT is and has entered in the market. Okay, now from there you entered for buy. Let's see an example. You entered at the price of, let's say, 4332. This is the Ethereum price which was going on, and this is the quantity of Ethereum which you bought at this price, 5 USDT. Got it? Now let's say that market is going against you, and this is I'm explaining regarding cross margin. Cross margin. This is I am explaining regarding cross. This is not isolated. This is cross margin I'm explaining you. 10 USDT was your capital account. Wait, I will write it. My handwriting is bad. Cross margin. Capital plus 10 USDT before trade. Before trade, capital means what? Your available bank balance basically. Before trade, $10. Let's say we entered for buy. Let's say we entered for buy. At what price? Quantity is 0.5 Ethereum. Okay. Market of 4332 USD at this value. Okay. How much it costed? Cost 5 USDT. Okay. Before trade, taking trade. Let's say we entered at quantity entry. Okay. Let's say we entered for buy. Zero point 0.5 Ethereum is the quantity we bought, and we entry price is what? This is price. Okay. These are the prices. So we entered at 4,332 USDT we entered at. Okay. And this thing costed us how much? 5 USDT. Now, after trade capital, after trade capital, my capital became. See, I am not including anything. I'm just giving you this as an explanation what a cross margin means. So I'm not including the transactional fees, the entry fees, and blah blah, all those fees which is there in the market, which is there in the platform. Okay, I'm not including those things. I'm just giving you just an example to make you understand what is cross margin. Okay, after trade capital, 5 USDT. After trade, my capital is what? See, before trade capital was 10. I took a trade, 0.5 Ethereum quantity at the entry price was 4,332 USDT, costed $5. I took from capital $5. My capital became now what? 5. 10 minus 5, 5 basically. Okay. Got it. Now, let's say trade market, sir, not trade. Market went against the trade. What do you mean by market went against the trade? You went for buy, you hope that the market is going to go up, 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 but market went down, 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 creating what? Your loss. Let's say market, let's say market went against the trend. Okay, now your loss, like you entered at 0.5 Ethereum, 4,230. Okay, current price, loss, current loss. Okay, so let's say market went against. We entered at what? 4,332. From there, if how can we have profit if the market will go up? Basically, maybe 4,400, 4,500. At that moment, I'm in plus, which is profit. But market went against me, and it is at what? 4,232. We entered at 4,332. Difference is there. So we are having minus. What is my minus? Current loss is 5 USDT. Now, cross margin, make it a little bigger. Hoi. Hello, Hoi. User is 107014. Hoi. Hoi. So my current loss is what? 5 USDT. That was my cost of the 0.5 Ethereum. So that means what? Whatever I invested is already gone. But my trade is still active. Current capital after loss And this is ongoing trade. Okay, the trade hasn't closed till now. Yes, it's ongoing trade. Don't get confused. That loss means that you already lost. It's you are out of the market. No, that's what cross does. It doesn't make you out of the market. 20. Okay. So current capital after the loss. This is the first scenario which happened. Now this is the second scenario. After trade capital was 5. Current capital after loss is also 5. Got it? Now the trade is still active. It comes more down. 4,200 current price of the market. Current loss 7 USDT. Question: where did that 2 USDT came from? I invested 5. How it can go $7? Because according to the market, what we know is when we invest something and that all investment is gone, we are thrown out of the market, which basically our trade gets closed. Yes. Then how my current loss became 7 USDT? This is what you will see in the trading platform. How it happened? That happens because of the cross margin. Cross margin gives you an opportunity. See, as crypto is a little volatile market, okay, not all the time. See, even if it is dropping very quickly, the next moment it can go above as well that fast. So it gives you opportunity. That I get it, that whatever amount you invested, the first investment of 5 USDT is gone. You don't have your investment amount. But if you still want to be active in the trade, then I will be using your left out. This was my current capital loss account. Now, okay, this is again current capital after more loss. It will be what? $2 will be gone from there. It will become 3 USDT. 3 USDT. This will be your current capital over here. From 10 we started. We took 5 for this trade. We took a trade. We decided that let's go for buy. We took 0.5 Ethereum quantity at the entry price of 4,332. Which costed us how much? It cost us 5 USDT. Got it? So after taking a trade, my capital became 5 because from 10 I took 5 for taking a trade, remaining 5. Okay, this 5 is still over here. Now I told you, like, I'm putting you in a situation where market went lost, because those situations might happen in the real life. Okay, so let's say market went against the trade. I went for buy, market went for sell side. Market is dropping down, dropping down, dropping down. Okay, 4,232 USD current price is market at. I entered at 4,300. Market is at 4,200. That means loss I am facing, because when I will face a profit in a buy, when from 4,332, if market goes up like 4,000, 4,400, 4,500, 4,600, whatever price is above that price, that's my profit. If it's below that price, that is my minus, that is a loss. Got it? Okay. So we are having a current loss. Our current loss, I assumed that it is 5 USD. Now, I invested 5. My current loss is 5. I should be thrown out from the market, as many of the people will think, because that's what it happens. But you have selected a cross margin. This is what you forget, that you have selected a cross margin, and then you wonder where my capital account go, why my capital account became 0. I had 5 USDT left. I just invested 5. The 5 was still there. Then where is that remaining 5? Because you have selected cross margin. Cross margin gives you an opportunity that if you want to stay active in the trade, इन हिंदी मीन्स अगर तुम्हारा जो इन्वेस्टमेंट अमाउंट है वो खत्म हो जाता है, जैसे $5 से इन्वेस्ट किया, -1 हुआ, -2, -3, -4 और -5 हो गया। अब जितना भी मैंने इन्वेस्ट किया था वो सारा जीरो हो गया। ओके, अब मेरे पास कोई इन्वेस्टमेंट मनी नहीं बचा क्योंकि सारा लॉस में चले गए और अभी भी वो कंटिन्यूस लॉस में, अभी तक ट्रेड बंद नहीं हुई है, अभी तक ट्रेड चालू है। गॉट इट? ठीक है, तो अभी ट्रेड चालू है। अब मे बी उसके बाद और लॉस होना चालू हो जाए। वो जो करंट प्राइस जो था 4232, 4232 को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं, 4332 जो प्राइस था उसके नीचे अगर और मार्केट जाती है तो और लॉस हो रहा है, -5 से -6, -7 भी हो सकता है। ठीक है, मैंने वही सिनेरियो पकड़ा कि अभी 4032 से मार्केट और गिर गई, और गिर गई। अभी मार्केट का प्राइस चालू है 4200। करंट लॉस है मेरा 7 USDT। मैंने इन्वेस्ट किया 5, लॉस हो गया 7। ऐसा कैसे? ये होता है क्रॉस मार्जिन से। क्रॉस मार्जिन तुम्हें एक अपॉर्चुनिटी देता है कि क्रिप्टो मार्केट वोलेटाइल मार्केट है, भले ही उसको उतना गिरना नहीं है, वो कुछ समय के लिए उतना गिरेगा फिर वापस से बड़ी छलांग ऊपर मारेगा। तो ये कुछ समय का जो लॉस है, कुछ समय का, अगर तुम वो बेयर कर सकते हो, तुम्हें वो रिस्क लेना है, तो तुम क्रॉस मार्जिन यूज करो। क्योंकि वो क्या करेगा, तुम्हारा इन्वेस्टमेंट अमाउंट खत्म हो गया, नील, जीरो, $5 गया। अगर और लॉस करना है तो वो क्या करेगा, तुम्हारा जो करंट मार्केट बचा था ना, हमारे पास 5 बचा था, 5 चले गया, अभी भी 5 बचा हुआ है। अगर 5 के ऊपर लॉस होता है, जैसे -6 हो गया, -7 हो गया, तो ये बाकी का पैसा ले कहां से रहा है मार्केट, ये ले रहा है तुम्हारे कैपिटल अकाउंट से। तो ये जो बाकी का जो 5 बचा था उस पे अभी क्या कितना बचा, 3। क्यों? क्योंकि 7 का मेरा लॉस हो रहा है अभी। 5 तक तो मैं झेल पा रहा था क्योंकि 5 मैंने इन्वेस्ट किया था, 5 के ऊपर 6 हुआ, 7 हुआ, 2 एक्स्ट्रा डॉलर। ये 2 एक्स्ट्रा डॉलर कहां से लिया इसने, ये लिया उसने 3 USD, ये 5 USDT। अगर इसके बाद भी अगर मेरे को लॉस होता है और $3 का, और ये मेरा कैपिटल अकाउंट हो जाता है जीरो, तो मेरा ट्रेड हो जाएगा क्लोज, क्योंकि मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है और मार्केट में लगाने के लिए। फिर वो तुमको एक इंडिकेशन देगा कि यार तेरा बैलेंस इनसफिशिएंट है, एक तो डिपॉजिट कर, एक्टिव रहे, नहीं तो ये ट्रेड क्लोज कर। सिंपल। तो क्रॉस मार्जिन में जब हम एकदम सिचुएशन देखते हैं कि मेरा बैलेंस कहाँ गया, जीरो कैसे हो गया, मैंने इन्वेस्ट ही 5 किया था, 10 USDT माइनस कैसे हो गया, ये सारी सिचुएशन होती है क्रॉस मार्जिन से, जो अलाउ करती है कि अगर एक ट्रेड अगेंस्ट में जा रहा है तुम्हारे और तुम्हें टिके रहना है, तुम नहीं चाहते हो कि यार मेरा इतना बड़ा लॉस मैं नहीं झेल पाऊंगा, थोड़ा मार्केट नीचे जाएंगे और मेरे को विश्वास है कि मार्केट नेक्स्ट टाइम ऊपर चली जाएगी, उस टाइम पे ये क्रॉस मार्जिन काम में आता है। बट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम, 60 to 70% ऑफ द टाइम, ये कैपिटल अकाउंट खा लेता है पूरा पूरा, जीरो हो जाता है। फिर कोई सिचुएशन समझ में आती है कि यार जीरो हुआ तो हुआ कैसा, मैंने तो इन्वेस्ट ही 5 किया, तो मेरे अकाउंट में तो 5 रहना चाहिए, ये रहना चाहिए वाला 5, ये 5 गया था, ये यहाँ गया। ठीक है, ये क्रॉस मार्जिन की वजह से गया, क्योंकि वो अलाउ करता है तुम्हें कि मार्केट में तुम बने रहो और एक्स्ट्रा लॉस झेल पाओ। ये एक्स्ट्रा लॉस कैसे झेलते हैं, जब तक तुम्हारा कैपिटल अकाउंट खाली नहीं हो जाता। गॉट इट? इसे हम क्रॉस मार्जिन बोलते हैं। अभी आइसोलेटेड, आइसोलेटेड बहुत सिंपल है, आइसोलेट के लिए इतनी कोई चीजें समझने की जरूरत नहीं। आइसोलेटेड, आइसोलेटेड मार्जिन, आइसोलेटेड मार्जिन क्या होता है समझो। पहले मेरा कैपिटल अकाउंट, बिफोर बिफोर ट्रेड कैपिटल मेरे पास है 10 USDT। बिफोर ट्रेड, अभी तक ट्रेड लिया नहीं मैंने, ये तो मेरा बैलेंस है मेरे पास। ठीक है, अभी मैं ट्रेड लूंगा, लेट्स से कि मेरे पास लेट्स से कि सेम ट्रेड एग्जैक्टली सेम ट्रेड लेंगे। ठीक है, लेट्स से कि मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है कि यार मार्केट में ना बाय एंट्री आ सकती है, एंड वी एंटर्ड फॉर बाय। सेम क्वांटिटी लेंगे, सेम एग्जैक्ट क्वांटिटी 0.05 इथेरियम, जो मैंने ये मेरी क्वांटिटी होगी, ठीक है, एक सेकंड में क्वांटिटी लिख देता हूँ, कंफ्यूज ना हो जाए कोई। क्वांटिटी, ये मेरी हो गई क्वांटिटी, और 4332 ये हो गई मेरी यूएसडी करंट प्राइस, जो मैंने जिस प्राइस पे मैंने एंटर किया, करंट प्राइस जिससे मैंने एंट्री ली, मैं सॉरी नॉट करंट प्राइस, सॉरी सॉरी एंट्री प्राइस, एंट्री प्राइस, ये हो गई मेरी एंट्री प्राइस। गॉट इट? अब इसका कॉस्ट ऑब्वियसली मेरे को सेम ही लगेगा। इसका कॉस्ट कितना लगा मेरे को, मेरा इन्वेस्टमेंट, कॉस्ट बोले तो मेरा इन्वेस्टमेंट, ओके, वो इन्वेस्टमेंट थोड़ा बड़ा होता है लिखने में, इसलिए मैं कॉस्ट लिख रहा हूँ। इसका कॉस्ट कितना हुआ मेरे को, 5 यूएसडीटी। अब आफ्टर आफ्टर ट्रेड कैपिटल, आफ्टर ट्रेड कैपिटल क्या है मेरा, 5 यूएसडीटी। बाकी 5 कहाँ गया, इन्वेस्टमेंट में गया, क्योंकि मैंने ट्रेड लिया है, मैंने ट्रेड लिया है इथेरियम में बाय के लिए, ठीक है। ये आफ्टर ट्रेड कैपिटल है मेरा, जो 10 से क्या बन गया अभी, 5। क्यों, इन्वेस्टमेंट किया मैंने ट्रेड लिया, बेसिकली इन्वेस्टमेंट लिया मैंने $5 का। डन, ओके। लेट्स से, समझो, नहीं, लेट्स से इज लाइक ऐसा समझ के चलते हैं, दिस सक्स ब्रो, ऐसा समझ के चलते हैं कि मार्केट हमारे अगेंस्ट में, मार्केट वेंट अगेंस्ट द ट्रेड, मार्केट हमारे अगेंस्ट चलेगा। हमने बाय सोचा था कि वहां से जो एंट्री प्राइस है वो ऊपर जाती रहे, 4350, 360, 4300, 4400, 4500, 4000, 6000, ये ऐसा बढ़ते रहे तो हमको प्रॉफिट है। वो एंट्री प्राइस से अगर प्राइस नीचे हो गई तो हमारे सीधा लॉस है, ठीक है। अब वो लॉस कितना होता है, लेट्स से कि मार्केट हमारे अगेंस्ट चलेगी, सेम प्राइस पे चलो, कि हमने क्या बोला था कि अभी करंट मार्केट प्राइस चल रही है 4232, इतना मार्केट गिर चुकी है अभी तक, ये करंट हो गई, करंट प्राइस, ठीक है, गॉट इट? ये हमारी करंट प्राइस हो गई। अब मेरे को करंट प्राइस में मेरे को लॉस कितना हुआ अभी तक, मेरा करंट लॉस, लॉस मतलब जो माइनस में दिखता है मेरे को कि ये माइनस इतना हो रहा है, माइनस इतना हो रहा है, माइनस इतना हो रहा है, ये कितना हो गया मेरा अभी, करंट लॉस कितना हो गया मेरा, करंट लॉस फॉर एग्जांपल लेट्स से दैट माय करंट लॉस इज 5 यूएसडी, ठीक है। करंट कैपिटल, $5, ठीक है। नाउ अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग, from starting I had 10 USDT as my capital account. I took a trade 0.5 Ethereum quantity. Entry price I picked was 4,332. This is my entry price of Ethereum. It costed me how much? 5 USDT. So I had 10, 5 I invested in the market, remaining 5 I have in the capital account. Let's say that the market went against me. I don't have the higher prices going on in the market. I have the lower price going on in the market. Like from the entry point, market price is dropping, and it reached to where it reached 4,232 USDT. ये इतने प्राइस का आके गिर गया अभी. Now the point from 4,300, like 4332 4232. It didn't like jumped from this price. Obviously it might jump at this price. At that I was having -$1. At this price -2, -3, and so on and so on and so on. At this price I had -5 USDT till the point it reached from this to this. Okay, in between I was having loss. Got it? And my current loss is going at what? 5 USDT. Current capital is what? 5 USDT. Now isolated margin will do what? That's it. Trade is closed. That's what isolated margin does. It will not allow market to take money from the capital account. For example, you invested 5 till $5 loss, market will keep you active. Your trade will be active till the $5. Once you have lost that $5, you are gone, like your trade is closed and you are facing a $5 loss. That capital amount, current capital amount after trade close will remain, after trade close, capital will remain 5 USDT. 5 USDT. After trade close, capital amount 5 USDT. Till 5, it will bear you. If it goes beyond 5, you are exited, or like the trade got closed, it will not further keep you active in the market. This is isolated margin. Simple. You entered with whatever investment amount, 5, let's say 5, market will keep you active till 5 -5. Okay, like let's say you had 0.5 minus, -1, -1.5, -2, -2.5, 3, 4. The time it hits -5, your trade is closed and you are out from the market. It will not touch your capital account. Your capital account will remain safe. You got it? This is isolated margin. So make sure whenever you are entering in whatsoever market, future, spot, in future, in spot there is no such margin things. Okay, whenever you are entering in whatsoever coin or future market, always make sure what margin you are taking. Are you taking isolated margin? Are you taking cross? Cross margin can make your account zero if it goes extreme against you. ठीक है? ही मतलब क्रॉस मार्जिन में जितना इन्वेस्टमेंट है उतना वो खत्म करके तुम्हें बाहर नहीं फेंकेगा, वो तुम्हें एक्टिव रखेगा जब तक तुम्हारा पूरा अकाउंट ना चूस ले। ठीक है, सिंपल। सो दिस वाज रिगार्डिंग दिस isolated and cross. Before entering in the market, always make sure what kind of cross you are having. In here you can also understand in English, all position use cross account balance. Cross account balance means जितना भी बैलेंस बचा हुआ है उसमें से भी थोड़ा 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 आता रहेगा। कब? जब तुम्हारा इन्वेस्टमेंट खत्म हो गया। इन्वेस्टमेंट के पहले नहीं, इन्वेस्टमेंट के पहले तक कोई बैलेंस को हाथ नहीं लगाएगा। इन्वेस्टमेंट के बाद जब तुम्हारा इन्वेस्टमेंट खत्म हो चुका है उसके बाद ही वो तुम्हारा बैलेंस को हाथ लगाएगा, अगर ये तुम्हारा क्रॉस मार्जिन पे है तो। इफ लिक्विडेशन हैपन, क्रॉस मार्जिन बैलेंस विल बी लॉस्ट। मतलब वो होता रहा, -5 से -6 हो गया, -7 हो गया, -8, -9, -10। अब मेरे पास 10 ही था बैलेंस, मेरे अकाउंट में 10 ही यूएसडी थी। अब वो -10 हो चुका है तो ऑब्वियसली मैं क्या हो गया, कंगाल, जीरो हो गया मेरा बैलेंस। सिंपल। तो ये हो गया क्रॉस, ये हो गया आइसोलेटेड, डन। अभी और यहाँ पे अगर तुम्हें देखना है कि कौन सा मार्जिन मेरा एक्टिव है अभी, तो यहाँ पे जो भी लिखा रहेगा वो तुम्हारा एक्टिव है। यहाँ पे मेरा क्या लिखा है अभी, आइसोलेटेड, तो आइसोलेट एक्टिव है। अगर मैं इसको स्विच करके स्विच टू क्रॉस कर देता हूं तो यहाँ पे हटना यार, हाँ यहाँ पे क्रॉस क्रॉस आ जाएगा। तो जो भी मार्जिन यहाँ लिखा हुआ है ये तुम्हारा एक्टिव है अभी। यहाँ क्रॉस है मतलब क्रॉस मार्जिन एक्टिव है। अगर मैं इसको करके स्विच टू आइसोलेट मोड पे करता हूँ, यहाँ पे एकदम से चेंज आ जाएगा, यहाँ पे चेंज क्या हो गया, आइसोलेट हो गया। तो अभी मेरे पास कौन सा मार्जिन एक्टिव है, आइसोलेटेड मार्जिन एक्टिव। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट चीज, नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन है लेवरेज। सारे कॉइन्स का डिफरेंट डिफरेंट लेवरेज है। एवरी कॉइन हैज डिफरेंट लेवरेज। some coin have 75 up to x leverage, some coin has 125 up to leverage। ठीक है, जैसे इथेरियम है अप टू 125। अगर मैं इसी को बिटकॉइन में शिफ्ट कर देता हूं, बिटकॉइन मार्केट पे, ठीक है, अब मैं बिटकॉइन के लिए देख रहा हूं, बिटकॉइन में मैं ट्रिगर देखता, ये बिटकॉइन में 125, पहले 75। दिस इज चीटिंग एक्चुअली, आई एम नॉट currently outdated, okay। First it was up to 75 only, now it became up to 170, 125। Fine, 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 fine. But first it was 75 XRP। See, some coins you can see XRP is up to 75. Bitcoin was also up to 75 only. I don't know how they increase the leverage, so it's good for all of you people only to take the more bigger trade। XRP, you can see it is XRP, for XRP is max 75। same, there will be different thing for different coins। Solana max leverage at Solana is 100। see, every coin has some different leverage, you don't have same leverage for every coins। like Ethereum, Bitcoin has 125, XRP 75x, Solana 100x। maybe for, let's check one more coin, I want to check some Dogecoin, let's say meme coin। meme coin leverage is up to 75। okay, got it, cool। every coin has different, so make sure that whenever you are picking, like let's say I picked XRP, I picked, I went there, I will check this option where what is my max leverage I can take, 75। in Ethereum 125। okay, in Ethereum is up to 125। and whenever you pick your whatever range, like I want to take 125, 100, 75, 50, 25, or even in the between like 65, 61, like it can take anything। okay, in that point, if you are dragging this leverage option over here, amount of leverage, can you see something is changing in the bottom, this what is max holding size is about। इसका मतलब क्या होता है, max holding size is about, अगर मैं लेता हूं 125x का लेवरेज, मैं 125x लेवरेज लेके 100 इथेरियम नहीं खरीद सकता, 100 इथेरियम का बाय मैं नहीं कर सकता। मैं मैक्स कितना बाय कर सकता हूं, 11, 11 पॉइंट, अभी जितना आएगा 11.521, इतना ही मैं मैक्स बाय या सेल कर सकता हूं। ये मेरी मैक्स लिमिट है, मैं ना ही मैं 11.8 भी नहीं कर पाऊंगा। जब उसने बोल दिया है कि मैक्स 125x लेवरेज अगर लेते तो तुम्हारी मैक्स होल्डिंग होंगी 11.521 इथेरियम की। if I take 125x leverage, max I can buy or max I can sell is 11.521 इथेरियम मैक्स। इसके ऊपर ना ही मैं बाय कर सकता हूं और इसके ऊपर ना ही मैं सेल कर सकता हूं। नीचे कितना भी, नीचे लाइक 10 ओके, 9 ओके, 7 ब्ला 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 6 मैक्स, इसके ऊपर नहीं जाना चाहिए। ये चेंज होते रहेगा। अगर सब जो मैंने लिया 50x का लेवरेज, तो कितना हो गया, 50x पे मेरे को मिल रहा है 691.261, 690 इथेरियम मैक्स। मैं 700 नहीं खरीद सकता। 600 ओके, 690 ओके, उसके नीचे ओके, उसके ऊपर नहीं। सेम इसको और मैं ड्रैग करूं 25 पे, 25 पे हो गया मेरा। अगर मैं 23 लेता हूं तो मेरा हो गया 11,521, 11,521 मतलब 11,521 इथेरियम आई कैन बाय और सेल इन दैट लेवरेज इन फ्यूचर ट्रेड। okay, so always check your maximum hold, because sometimes happens ki like you are taking whatever average and you are buying in extreme quantity and you will feel like why it is showing this, because it is giving you what is your limit of buying or selling ethereum on XYZ leverage. Got it? Okay, this is the leverage option. Now, there are two options below. I will explain this option little later. Okay, this is very important option. I will explain little later. There are two options in the below. You can see open close. This open close doesn't mean buy and sell. Frank. Is a to be very frank. Okay, I'm not pointing out my owner. To be very frank, this doesn't mean that it is buy and sell. Okay, this is like I am opening a trade. Close means I am closing my trade. Opening my trade, closing my trade. Simple. Now, after this, simple. I don't have to explain open and close. Okay, opening trade, close trade. Okay, so first we have to open and then we'll close. First, I have to open. For opening, I have three orders, three types of orders for me: limit order, market order, trigger order. Now, what is trigger order? Trigger order means that because limit order I already explained you, like my preference. I want to enter at whatever price, I will enter at whatever price. Till that market comes to that price, your order is not executed. The money is completely safe in that available balance. One is get executed, then only that amount is gone from that wallet, capital account, and it is executed in the market. Simple. Got it? Now, trigger means what? Trigger is very similar to limit, but not same. Similar, not same. That's the whole difference between limit and trigger. Limit will place same price for you, same exact price, exact. If I pick 432.5, until unless there is in the market 432.5, the market will not execute. Even if the market comes to 432.2 and from there it went up and it never came to 432.5, my order is not executed because I picked what? 432.5. Did it came till 5? No, it came till what? 432.2 or zero point 0.3 or zero point 0.4. It didn't came till 5. My order is not executed. Exact same price I want what I put. Now, for the trigger order, if I click on this order, trigger order is what? See, I want to enter at whatever XYZ amount of price. Let's say, wait a second. I want to enter at whatever XYZ amount of price. Let's say like 4,332. If market can find a better option for me for entering into the market, okay, it can execute that price. It won't ask for exact price 0.5, 0.6, 0.62321. No. If he can find like very nearby market came and there is some order available which can match my order, it will place that order even if it doesn't come to that exact price range. A best price range near my range. Okay, it won't like market price not there. If I pick 43234, something like this, if I pick, okay, if any order, best order nearby, if he is available to execute, he will execute that order. Okay, trigger, you can trigger like whatever take profit you want to have and everything. It works in both ways. Like for example, if I say like 4,000, if I am going for buy situation, 4,453. Now 4,453 is my trigger for USDT. Even if it's coming at 4452.9, my order will get executed because it's not waiting for an exact price. It will pick a best option for me and it will trigger and it will go. Got it? This is a trigger order. You can pick the size from here. See, we have manual option over here. Not sorry, we have a like automated option, 10%, 20%, 30%, or 100%. This 10, 20, 30, 50, 100 is depending on, see, it is calculating your USDT 10% of my USDT, 20% of my USDT, order by value, order by value. 10% of my USDT, 20% of my USDT, 50% of my USDT, or 100% of my USDT. Always pick. See, you have option over here. Either order by size, order by value. Pick order by value. It will keep you in the calculation like what amount is remaining in my account. What kind of like I want to use 10% of my account, 20% of my account, 30% of my account. It is very easy. So always do order by value. 10%, 20, 30, 40, or you can enter manually as well. It changed Chinese. Pro. Alter A. Okay. Alter A. Ah. So 10%, 20%, 30%, or I can pick manually as well. Like 45%, 15%, 0.5%, whatever. Manually, I can put anything. Okay. And if you want to pick by size, then simply do this order by size. Complete this. I want to buy 0.5 Ethereum. Quantity basically. Size is quantity. 0.5, 0.1, 1, 2, 100 Ethereum, 200 Ethereum, whatever amount of Ethereum you want to buy, just click on the size and it will be there. You can see over here, max buy is 0.089 depending on your this investment. Got it? No. Buy, how to do buy, how to do sell in future trade, because there is no buy sell. Where is buy sell? There is nothing written as buy and sell. It is open long and open short. What do you mean by open long? What do you mean by open short? Open long means that you want to enter for buy position, that you feel that in the next hour, in the next 2 hour, next 15 minutes, next 30 minutes, next whatever minute, market will stay in upward direction, market will stay in uptrend, price will keep on rising. Then and then only you will go for open long. My guess is that price is gonna rise now. I will open long, means I'm going for buy. Okay. Open short means sell. Long is buy, short is sell. Very, if you understand very simply, long, buy, short, sell. Okay. So you can pick whatever you want to go for. You want to open long, you can open long. You want to open short, you can open short. Right now, 4 Ethereum is costing me 3,345. This is an actual cost. I took 50x leverage. I am just putting whatever XYZ amount. Okay. I'm just putting whatever XYZ amount, but the total cost of this is 345.84 USD. Maximum holding is 0.8. Let's take 0.089. This is a max. Okay, this cost is my cost. Okay. Max I can buy is 0.69. 0.69 is the 7.69 is the max USD I can waste. Okay, max I can buy this much quantity. Got it. Okay. Once you open this, it will show over here. My position, open orders or position, it will show over here. Trigger order will show over here. Order is PNL. Now, PNL means what? PNL means what? What do you mean by PNL? PNL is basically profit and loss. Whatever profit you are having, it will be showing in a green thing, green USDT, $1, $2, 0.5, 0.0001, whatever it is. It will be in a green USDT, that is your profit. If it's in a red color, that means you are having a loss. Market is going against you. It will be shown over here, PNL. Okay. If you feel that your valid balance, this is a valid balance, it will also be fluctuating. Whatever amount of loss you are having, it will keep on fluctuating. If you think that you need to transfer, if you want to stay active in the market, you want to transfer, if in the spot, okay, if in the spot you have some balance, maybe in the spot you have 15, 20, 30, whatever is there, transfer it from here spot to this USDT, whatever amount, and confirm, and it will be transferred. Okay. Or either you want to deposit, straight deposit. Got it? Okay. Now, Many people will also think, see, like when you learn new stuff, like people will talk about a lot of like future is wrong, future there the market is has expiry date. If you don't keep an like your attention to the expiry date, your trade will go loss, this might happen, that might happen, this and blah blah blah. Zbit gives you a perpetual contract to trade with. This contract, what do you mean by perpetual contract? By on the expiry date is written perpetual. By perpetual means never ending. Never ending. This contract is never gonna end. It's limitless. There is no limit for this contract. It has crossed all his limit. It has gone beyond his whatever behavior it has shown and is gone. Expired. There is no expiry date. Basically no expiry date. It is limitless. It will keep on going until the point the market is alive. Market is alive means like crypto market is there, the contract is active till that point. Active, there is no expiry that it will expire 1 month, 2 month, 1 week, 1 year. Nah, endless. That's what Zbit offers to you, a perpetual contract. So you don't have to worry regarding expiry date. You don't have to worry regarding what is going in, like what I'm entering at what position of the expiry date 1 day ago, 2 day ago, blah 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 scenario. You don't have to worry about that. Okay, perpetual, enter at whatever moment, exit at whatever moment, doesn't matter at all. For example, let's say if I have let's say that I have 10,000. I have 10,000 USDT. I entered at the point. Cross margin I put. Until unless, let's say that it took almost 6 months for that trade. It was going against me. Some point it was going me profit. Sometimes it's going me loss. Profit, loss, profit, loss, profit, loss, profit, loss. And at one moment it actually became zero. My 10,000 USDT became zero. It took 6 months to 7 months to 8 months, whatever month it took to become loss. That is a perpetual contract. You can stay active as till the point you have balance. If you put a cross margin and you have a good balance in the capital account, you can be active for years and years. That trade will be active for years and years. Same like spot, because it is a never ending contract. Never ending contract. Get it? But you have to have a balance as well. Okay, it's not like you don't have balance and blah kind of stuff. Because the thing which make you differ from spot and the future, for example, let's say I entered the future market and I entered the spot market. I bought it, I have it in my house, consider it that. It's not that if it going like I bought it at 500, right now it is going 400, I'm in the loss, it is eating my balance. No, I bought it already. I bought it already. Whatever amount I invested in that coin is got investment of that, like whatever value, 10 USD worth of XYZ coin, I got it. It's in my hand. Even if the market is dropping 400, 500, 300, blah, 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 it is still in my hand. I can pick my time. If I feel like I don't want to sell at 400, I want to sell at 600, I will wait. My balance is not going to be affected by that. My invest is going to be affected, but that's up to me. If I want to sell after 2 years, I can sell it after 2 years. That is up to me. But in the future, if you enter, it will, your like, to keep yourself active on the trade, you have to provide some liquidity to the market. It's a difference. Once you buy in a spot, you don't have to provide liquidity. You gave, it's a like deal. Like, you give me 100 rupee, you keep the mouse, I don't care. You sell the mouse with 80 rupee, 50 rupee, 120 rupee, 200 rupee, I don't care. I got my money, you got the mouse. That's the deal. Deal is ended. Okay, so this is open long. And now how do you close the trade? Like I said to you, this is an open trade, this is closed trade. If you have open long, if you have opened a buy trade, come to the close and go for close long. Don't close short. Close long. If you have entered with open short, Then go for close short. Whatever you're opening, close that itself. Open long, close long. Open short, close short. Simple. Okay. Now, the best thing which will sorry, this is trigger market order. I don't have to explain. Market order is simple. It's exactly very okay. Market order is very simple. Whatever you just have to pick the size, it will execute with whatever current market price is going on. Okay. Now let me explain you one of the best feature of the like one of the yes. I feel calculator is one of the best feature of the CBOT. Why? It will help you in realizing what kind of balance you require to enter for the trade, because most of the time we don't know, okay, like bro, how much will be 0.5 if I buy at xyz price. If I want to be like if I buy 0.5 ethereum and I want to have this much target, what balance do I require, what is my investment value? You don't know, I don't know, but there is a calculator, right? We can use the calculator. How to use calculator, I will help you. First, profit and loss is the second part. First, let's talk about the target. What should be my target price? Okay. So, entry price. Now, entry price, either it can be market price, your limit order, or whatever. Entry price. Okay. He just requires one price. Let's say I want to enter at 4322. 4323. 4323 is what I want to enter. And from my investment, I want at least, let's say, 10%. 10%. Okay. From my investment, I need at least 10% of return. Okay, like I invested 10 USDT. I want what's 10%? I'm bad at maths. Okay. I don't hide my weakness. I'm bad at maths. That's why I have calci and ChatGPT as well. Oh, wait, it's $1. It was easy. Shit, Yash. So if I have, if I invest 10 USDT, for example, I want 10% of return, which means 1 USDT will be having profit. 20, $2, 30, $3, 30%, 40%, 50%, 60, 18, whatever. Let's say I want to have 30% of return. At what price I will get 30% of return? At the price of 4,348.30. 3% of return will be given from the entry value. 3% of return I want. It calculated, gave me what? Target price. Okay. Now we have target price 4323 is my entry. Target is 4348.93. Let's put it in. Entry was 4232. No, I'm holding. Okay. Entry price 4323. Target price was 4384.93, something like this. Now, whatever size I want to pick, let's say that I want size. You can check it from here. The maximum size, you whatever it, leverage you are taking, maximum holding is this. I want to take 25 only. So let's say I want to buy two Ethereum. Now, if I want to buy two Ethereum with 24x leverage, my entry price this, my target price this, what can be my investment price? How much I need to invest? Calculate. I need to invest $360. My profit will be from that. If this target price is tapped, is touched, it hit, then it will be 123.86 profit I will be having, which is basically the ROI is what? 30%. 34 is little extra, but totally fine. Okay, this is my margin balance. This is I required. My balance, I have to invest 360. Okay, let's see if I take 50. Calculate. 70, let's take 125. Still 69 because the Ethereum is 4,000, right? So that's why it takes extra. 69, my profit will be 123, and the ROI will change because the investment changed. Okay, got it? Margin balance means this much I require to invest. This is मार्जिन बैलेंस, मतलब कि इतना पैसा मुझे चाहिए दो इथेरियम खरीदने के लिए जिसमें मेरे को $123 का प्रॉफिट होगा। ठीक है, टारगेट प्राइस यहां से पता करना, इथेरियम और प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस यहां से पता करना। सिंपल, अंडरस्टूड? ओके, एक सेकेंड। Okay, understood? Zbit is this simple to understand. This Zbit is this simple for taking a trade. This simple. Now as everybody has understood how to use zbit.com. And yeah, I didn't say this thing. Yeah, if you click on this arrow, you can see all the coins over here. You can pick whatever coin and you can take it. Welcome user 252141. Welcome to the live stream. I just explained you how to use Zbit for doing trading. Okay, our app in the most simplest way possible. I've explained you all the situation, and now I will be taking 15-minute break. Okay, I'll be back in 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I will start giving trades after market analysis, obviously. After we'll do market analysis and we'll take a trade. Till that point, what is your job? Your job is to deposit. Make yourself active in the deposit. Like have a deposit, have a good deposit in the market so that whenever an entry comes, you are ready to take an entry, you're ready to take a profit. Okay, I will come in 15 minutes. Okay, I'm back. Mr. Mangat, welcome to the live stream. Okay. Let's see what we can do in today's market. Let's do a market analysis for a bit. Start from a day time frame. What has shifted, what has happened, and everything. I don't know about that far, nearby, close scenario. In one day, there is nothing. It's just one retracement, and that's all. 4 hours. By looking at the market, even though the fall is not a big fall, okay, I'm telling you, the fall is not a big, but still, and even not the rise is that big, we have a very small demand and a small supply. Small and small. It's not like huge high sir near USDT pump dump going on, or what, and what is the reason behind this volatility? The reason is US government is the reason. I'll tell you what happened. Pump and sell. We were I'll explain you in the whole situation. I have plotted everything in the market. 1 second. First, let me spot that head and shoulder pattern. Where was it? This was that. No, it's very recent. We came. We came from where? Where was that head and shoulder? Extreme fall of the market. It was like extreme fall. I think this is that thing. Head and shoulder pattern. Extreme fall. But no, this is not that. This is the all-time high. Where was that extreme fall of the market? That head and shoulder pattern, because it started from there. So I want to tell you from the start. Like, you want to know everything, I can tell you everything. Let me just find that start point from where it all started. The crazy thing we started. I plotted it in way before, then I deleted it. So it's fine, okay, I'll explain you verbally. I hope you will understand my verbally. What happened? See, first, US government told everybody that they're like, when the Jeremy Powell speech happened, they said like they are having facing some difficulties in their economic. Okay. Economic growth directly, indirectly is affected by the interest rate, like the dollar interest rate, whether it will be above or they have to cut. Got it? Now, when the Jeremy Powell speech came, he explained us one very specific thing that I am looking. See, I'm gonna do three cuts: 25, 25, 25. First 25 I will cut. I will observe my economic. If needed, I will do the second one. Then I will observe for next 2 or 1 month, and then if needed, I will cut the third one. So people expected that there is going to be three cuts: 25 first, then second, then third. Okay. First 25 cut happened and market had a very good pump. Why? Why? Because of the dollar, crypto market was pumping. I will tell you. If dollar prices decreases, crypto prices increases. Okay. And if dollar prices increases, crypto prices decreases. They are correlated. If dollar is strong, crypto is weak. If dollar is weak, then crypto is strong. Okay. Then when Jeremy Powell came, he told everybody that USDT, that dollar is facing a weak signals, that their economic, their employment growth, their price index, everything is falling down, falling down, falling down, and falling down. Got it? Now, with this reason, they decided to give a Fed cut, like 25%, 25%, 25%, three cuts. First cut happened, and we saw a very good pump into the market. Like people started buying, people started buying, people started buying. A very good early pump we saw, because that's what happens. Like if 25% three cut is there, obviously people will think what, that I will buy everything at the first cut, and till the third cut, market start from here. Till the third cut, market will be here, because every cut will make people interested more in buying Bitcoin, more in buying Ethereum, more in buying all the cryptocurrencies. So market, if buying happens, market prices, that's exactly the real. Thanks. THX is the, or that's, I guess, that's exactly the reason behind it. And he went. You don't want to hear the further explanation? I thought you asked me for what is the reason behind the exact reason. I was about to give you the exact reason. You left, brother. I felt bad. Like if you ask question, like stay till I answer your question. You just said that's exactly the reason behind it and you left. But that's the half reason. There was more reason there for me to say. Now I want to say it, but you are not here to listen. I'll still say, because then it will be like there is something inside me I didn't say. So 25, 25, 25, three cuts. Got it? Now, in that situation, in the first cut, a lot of people went for buy, because obviously two cuts are confirmed. So till the time three cuts come, market will be in the all-time high, or maybe more bigger than all-time high. So people who bought at the first 25 cut, obviously they will be in the profitable situation till the third 25 cut, right? Now, in that's the exact point where they blabbed something and they changed the company. I have told you in all of my live stream that crypto market is a very influenced market, very influenced market. That's why there is volatility this much, because it is very influenced with what? Influenced with everything. Influenced with the big player, influenced with the industrial people, corporate people, influenced with the news as well. Whatever global politics news is happening outside, it is very influenced for the crypto market. If any war situation happens, if any those kind of situation, like uh, what you say, those things like economic things, like economic imbalance, trade imbalance, such kind of situations, or the news which is like like these USA opened the crypto reserve, made the market pump so much because it was a positive news for the Bitcoin. Now such kind of news affects the market a lot, and that's what America, not America, USA, that was USA used it to trick us and gave market a very huge profit. What was that trick? They gave three news. They disclosed three news publicly into the market. After the 25 cut, okay, first cut has been done, a heavy buying has been done. After that heavy buying, three news came outside. Everybody was keeping their eye on these three news, because these three news will decide if further 25 cut will be there. Either it is 25 or they have to do 50 as well. Okay, in that situation, three news: first employment, second GDP, third was price index. Three newses came into the market. Now these three, all three newses are positive, positive, extreme positive, more than expected. GDP can grow like maybe 0.5%, 0.8%. No, it grow by 2.25 or 2.28, whatever the number. I don't remember the proper, but it was approximately 2%. That percent the GDP went growth. Price index positive. Employment growth was almost 200 and something K percent up. Almost that huge percent of employment growth percentage was shown. Now, three positive news is like just if this are the three positive news are depending on the economic positive, a very great positive, more than expected positive made what dollar a strong. That was a made up thing which made us believe that yes, dollar is strong right now, and that was the moment where market decided to take a advantage and make a whole market fall. And whoever entered at what entered at the first 25% cut, they liquidated them. All the people who entered for the buy position by the first 25% got liquidated. Almost in that one day, 1.0 something billion dollar got liquidated. And where it goes, obviously, it will go to the either the live pool or the owner or the hierarchy level or wherever it wants to go. Obviously, it is lost money. Lost money is lost. It's like market eat that money, market use that money, market have that money, market's profit, whatever market does. I have a very big question. Like, if the money goes lost, like billions dollar kind of money goes lost, then where does it goes? Where does it go? Is it just a profit of that public blockchain, profit of that ETF, profit of that person, profit of the market? Where is that money? Okay, wherever it is, gone, poof, out of the market. Okay, like in the market but out of your account, 1 point something billion dollar combined amount. Okay, after that thing, one day happened, 2 day happened, market struggled a little, because such a huge amount got liquidated. Billion dollar getting liquidated is a very huge thing. Market was getting very imbalanced, very uncertain what to do at this position, what to do. It didn't fall, it didn't rise, it just kept on going sideways. Market is completely flat, there is nothing, no momentum in the market at that moment. After that, what happened? The reality hit. Suddenly there is a news that suddenly there is a news that US government collapsed as in not collapse, but shut down. Why? Because they don't have money. If your GDP rate was good, your employment rate was good, your price index was good, dollar was strong, then what was the need to shut down the whole government? Then the truth came out that actually there was actually those three news were actually the fake kind of news. Okay, they still haven't admitted that it's a fake news, but it is like, obviously, if you have to shut down your government because you don't have money, that means the dollar is still weak. Whatever three great news you shared was absolute null, like, fake kind of stuff. Okay, after that thing, when the real truth came, the government collapsed, it's shut down, they don't have finance, they don't have like money to, like, funding was stopped for them. Like, whosoever is like who mattered the most to the government, they have to work without payment. And the people who don't have that much, they don't matter that much to the government, they can sit home without unpaid work. Like, there is no work, you just sit home without getting payment. This is the situation of the US government right now, and that's the point which was like seen by everybody, and that's the exact point where a lot of people went for buying, and a pump came. Okay, why the pump is very less? To be very honest, the pump is very less. Okay, do not think that pump came, oh my god, very huge buy. No, this is not a huge buy. Hi, user 478370. Hi, my name is Yash. I'm a live stream host over here. I'm just talking about what happened. There is a one person who asked regarding why there is pump dump going on, why there is sudden pump, sudden growth, sudden pump, sudden growth. I was explaining regarding that what is happening right now. Okay, nothing else. Okay, I will give you trade very soon, very fast. So till that point, click on the deposit option. Deposit option. Click on the deposit option. Deposit your amount, and then we will take a trade. Got it? Okay. Now after that moment, when the real thing came, shut down, everything shut down. Now that's the thing which other people used advantage at. US government shut, dollar weak, and you know whenever dollar gets weak, crypto goes up. Okay, now in that moment people went for buying, but this is not a very huge pump, it is a very small pump, because you can clearly see the all-time high. Previous all-time high was what, 124 something, 124k xyz, and the new all-time high is been made at what, 126. Just $2,000 up it is. It's not a very big push, it's a very minimal small push. Why there is a very minimal small push? Because still they are afraid that US might come at some point, and they are thinking that we will go for huge buying. They will enter and they will say something and they will have a drop and their money will go. Hi. Hi again. Hi. Hello. I can hear you, brother. Hi. My name is Yash. What's your name, brother? Hi. Second time. Another hi. Hi. Are you giving me that hi, like the bad curse kind of hi? Talk to me. I am talking to you. Hi. How are you? How was your day? What's your name? How have you been? You have any issues with the app? You have any issues with the Zbit? First, it will be very it will be nice if you tell me your name so that I can talk to you directly rather than just saying my name is Alamin. I sorry for the pronounce. I don't know how to pronounce your name. I am pronouncing you like Alamin. Hi Alamin, how are you? Welcome to the live stream of Zbit platform. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. How may I can help you? And and how was your day, brother? How was your day? Did you went for any buy situation? Did you bought any cryptocurrency? Did you sold any cryptocurrency? Are you having some losses in cryptocurrency? What is going on? What do you want to talk about? Please, we can talk. I'm all yours. To talk. Just to talk. Thank you. I want to be your agent. Agent for what? MIB? You want to be MIB? I want to be an MIB. I want to have those guns, those sci-fi things, those every of those things. But what kind of agent? Okay, you want to be my agent. What kind of agent you want to be? I want to know. What is your offer? I am I am ready to hear your offer. First, throw me the offer. I'll see if I have to accept it or not. What agent, what type of agent you want me to be? On Zbit, okay, sure, why not? Why not? Why not? You can be. I come, see, it's not like you can be my agent agency. I'm here for everybody. Okay. And you can just simply, my live timings are 12 to 4. I come on the live by 12 to 4. Monday, Tuesday, sorry, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. These 5 days, I am on this live stream from 12 to 4. So you can come on this live timing by 12 to 4, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Thursday, Wednesday, and Thursday are my holidays. So I don't come for these 2 days. For these 5 days are my holidays. So by 12 to 4, you can find me on this live stream and can be here. I can help you with every of those things. Okay, every of those, like whatever you need help with, you want trades, I can give you trades. You want to learn regarding market, I can teach you regarding market. You want to learn how to trade, I can teach you that as well. Got it? I'm all over, all ears. But the only thing I require from your side is to ask that I want to learn this, I want to learn this, that, blah, blah. Because I don't know, like, at what point you are. Like, you're starting from the exact zero, you are like, you know, little bit about the market, or what is it. So, any doubt you have, Like, I don't understand the supply demand zone. I don't know how to plot my market. I don't know how to enter in the market. I don't know how to find my entry in the market. Anything, any question you get, ask me. I will solve it. I will help you with it. Sir, any giveaways so that we can trade? You want giveaways? Can I tell you one very best one spot strategy? I can give you one spot strategy. Other than this, I'm yet to analyze this market right now, so I cannot give you trade for right now because I have to see the market of what is happening right here first. Then I can give you trade the daily trades of future trade. I give daily future trades, but if you want a strategy for spot, I can give you the best strategy for spot. How to find that strategy, how to make a very huge profit with less investment. Okay, less will not be $10, $20, $30. It can be up to 1,000 USDT. Okay, but the return can be 50,000, maybe 60,000, maybe $1 lakh as well, with just 1,000 to 1,000 USDTs. I can give you that strategy right now, because right now I was just explaining how to trade in the Zbit, so I haven't done the market analysis till now. I have to do it because without doing analysis I may go wrong, so that's why I have to analyze. Do you want to know the spot strategy? Just tell me you want to know the spot strategy. I will tell you the spot strategy for long term. For long term, for future trade, just give me 5 minutes. I will just do the market analysis and I will give you trade. But tell me in which coin you want to take a trade. You want to take BTC, or Solana, Ethereum, XRP, or any other coin which you feel. But spot strategy is very good. I will explain my spot strategy. Spot strategy. Okay, just come on. See, for a long-term spot strategy, I'm telling you, okay, which you can use, like investment can be like 1,000 to 1,000, and your profit can be 50, 60, 70,000. How you can make it, what to do, and how to do it. I will explain step by step. First step, TradingView. Come on the TradingView platform. Track all the market. First is this. Then can you see these three bars? Tap on these three bars, come on the market, and in that market, come on the crypto market. This. Done. What we did, we came on the market, crypto market. Now we have to go on overview. Can we see overview over here? Click on this overview. Drag, 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 drag until unless I see crypto collections. Okay. Once I see a crypto collection over here, now this is all filter out versions of cryptos for me, which TradingView has given. What do I have to focus on from all those filters? Two. One is 52-week high, this 52-week high, and then the second one is lowest supply. I will explain you why only those two filter reasons. 52-week high says that 52-week means 1 year. Okay, one whole 12 months, 1 year means 52-week high. Now 50. Sir, can you send my UID to? Can I send you my UID to send some USDT? Ha. Ha. No, we cannot do that. We cannot send, like, we cannot provide USDTs. I can provide you tricks and tricks like the one I'm showing you right now, with which you can earn a lot of good amount of profits from this spot strategy, but I cannot share USDT. This is not a place for you to spread your hands and to be frank about it. Okay, so 52-week high, why? What's the reason of the 52-week high? 52-week high talks about one thing, that in complete these 12 months or 1 year, that coin is performing the best. That since the 12 month, they are observing since the 12 months, and from that place, the coin is just rising, rising. Because all the time people have this question, which is that coin which is like growing a lot? Which is that coin which is maybe the next $1, next Bitcoin, next this, which is that coin? People are confused, they don't know where to find it. It is at the 52-week high, because it talks about those coin which is performing the best in the whole 1 year. If a coin is performing the best in a whole year, which means constant growth, constant trade, constant investment is happening in that coin. Okay. And second is the lowest supply. Why lowest supply? See, lowest supply has a very simple example. Consider gold and diamond. A gold price compared to diamond is low. Why? And diamond price is high compared to gold. Why? This all diamond value high and gold value little less is all the game of supply. Diamond supply is very less compared to the gold. That's why it is expensive. Gold supply is high compared to the diamond. That's why the value is low. So the value of any price of cryptocurrency, any coin, depends on the supply. If supply is less, the coin becomes like kind of a rare kind of coin. Why Bitcoin is such at high price? Why? Because Bitcoin has the welcome new user. How can sir help you? Tell him. What? I love this app. It's all for you. Welcome user. How? He's saying welcome new user by himself. How sir can help you? Tell him. Okay, yeah. Like, yeah, welcome all the new users. Hi, hello, my name is Yash. How can I help you? How can I be at service? Right now, I'm talking about a best spot strategy, long-term investment, but best, which you can invest 1,000 to 1,000 USDT, wait for 1 to 2 years, and maybe can earn up to $50,000, $60,000, $70,000, or $80,000. But until unless we hit the target, I won't be telling like after 1 year you will find. It can happen in 6 months as well, depending on the investment, to be very frank. Okay. So all the new users, I'm talking about the spot strategy right now, which is the best. Like this is the way how you should invest in the coins. This is not the standard strategy, but it's also how you should find the coins which is trading the good, performing good, having a good potential to grow more. Okay. 52-week high explained, all in the whole year that coin performed best, and lowest supply, the coin which has the lowest supply. This is the reason why Bitcoin price is so high. Why? Because it just 21 million Bitcoin is available in the market. Once this 21 million is done, like it is like the selling, buying, selling is happening, and now there is no coin to sell other than 21 million. Like 21 million is coin done, sold. There is no Bitcoin anymore. Until and unless those people who have it, they are ready to sell. Okay, understand this point. So that's why the Bitcoin is the most topest coin, because the supply of the Bitcoin is the most less compared to all the cryptocurrency. Got it? Now, these are the two things. These are the two filters we will be focusing on. First, let's go on 52-week high. Okay, 52-week high we came. What do we need to do when we come on the 52-week high? First, find a coin which is under a dollar, which is not even a $1. 0 point something, 0 0.00, 0 0.7, 0 0.0. Sorry, 0 point this, 0 point that, 0 point blah 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 blah, whatever situation, those coins will find out. Okay. And let's make, like, see, this is Alpha Exchange AI 0.08, AI TV 0.09, 2 coins. Let's find one more. Okay, George Play Clash Royale, and Dev 0.0073 from there. Clink Finance 0.09, Navio 5. Okay, these are the 5 coins which we'll be looking at. I'm just giving an example. Okay, after this, what you have to check? I have picked 5. 1, 2. These are the 2 from here and 3 from the top. Alpha Exchange, AITV, and other one was, where is that other? Yeah, this Dev. Okay, this 5 we will check. Go to the performance. First, pick your coin which is under $1. Right now, I'm just picking 5 because obviously I don't have that much time to explain every of the situation. I picked 5 top 5 coins from the filter. which is under a dollar. I go on the performance. Now the next step is to check the performance. Click on the performance. Now let's check it for the first alpha exchange. Alpha exchange is minus, minus, minus. Drag it here. Still minus, minus, minus. So no alpha exchange. Alpha exchange out. Remaining 4. AITV still on the minus. Performance is not good. Cancelled. Remaining 3. Where is the due? Due is having how much? Say from the starting. We'll check out due. 12, 14, 14, 14, 14, 14. 14 is not that great achievement, great performance. Okay, 14 is not a great performance. Cancel. Then we will go to the clink. Clink is also minus. Cancel. Now we had Navio, I guess. Yeah, Navio. It is Navio. Navio. What was the Navio price? Did we pick Navio? What was the price of Navio? Yeah, 0.07. Okay, Navio we picked. Okay. Then Navio is giving us 14%, 9%, 74%. See, it is rising. I will go till here because this performance is like you can see is 3 months, 6 month, year, 1 year, 5 year. Okay. Navio 162, 102, 141. Okay. In an overall 5 year is minus 40. Overall 5 year is fine because 1 year we have to check. 1 year good performance we have to check. Once we see like performance is increasing in 2 digit to 3 digit to 4, there are some 4 digit as well. You can see I love puppies is 7,000 plus 7,000 plus 7. These are such kind of coins as well. I'm just giving you option from this 5. There are more coin which may have more greater performance like Zcash. Can you see Zcash? Zcash is almost it started from 19 plus 75, 300, 450, 550, 300, 650, 200. Okay, so there are such coins which are more plus as well, but we have to pick which one which is under a dollar. Is this is 231, very expensive to buy, very expensive to buy. We'll only pick those coin which is like under a dollar. So in under a dollar, Navio coin right now feels like easy to buy and the growth is also good. Okay, once you check this, now click on the Navio. We have a one big thing to check. I don't want the category to be meme coin over here. Whenever you want to enter in any coin, always click on that about Navio category. If it's a meme coin, it will show you that it's a meme coin over here. Like for example, I'll show you one coin, which is a meme coin, meme coin, meme coin, meme coin, meme coin. Baby BNB. I think it's a meme coin. Yeah, see, Baby Nairo BNB. It's a meme coin category memes. We don't enter in the meme coins. Entering for spot in the meme coins is the most worst decision you will make in your life. No spot for meme coins because it will be there and all the meme coins has a very high supply, very high, 4,20,000 trillion. That huge supply means it will take almost maybe 20 to 30 to 40 years to touch $1. It is that supply it is. And investment will be a lot to make it reach $1. So we don't deal with meme coins. Now Navio became, Navio is what? It's a cryptocurrency, so it is okay. Consider it as an altcoin. It's not stable, but it's altcoin because it's a cryptocurrency. Done. Now, first thing to check the category. Second thing to check is total supply and circulating supply. What do you mean by total supply and circulating supply? For example, if there is a shop, I have a Nike showroom. In my showroom, I have 10 shoes varieties to sell in different sizes. And in my go down, I have 50 more variety. In my display, I have 10, but in my go down, I have more. So in here, you can see circulating supply, which is ready for buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, is just 78.36 million. That's it. Total supply yet to provide for buy and sell is 76.94 million. Million and billion supplies okay. Billion also like 1 billion, 2 billion, 20, 30, 40. This is okay. Like the growth will be fast for that coin because it won't take that big of investment. It will take big means like not that like trillion kind of investment won't be asking. in the billion investment also we can have a very good amount of price hike in that market. So always check supply. Supply should be in million or billion, not more than 50 billion, not more than that. It will take more 4 to 5 years to give you that profit. We want quick profit, quick money, quick profit. Okay. Supply should be this low. This is very low supply, which means it has high potential to grow fast. Okay, now we check supply, done. Category, done. All is red tick, red tick, red tick. Our performance also in like whole year is rising from 15 to 9 to 73, from 166, 161, 108, 141. It's rising. Okay. Now last thing to check is all-time high. What was the all-time high of that coin? All-time high of that coin was what? 0.2. We are at what? 0.07. Okay. All-time high 0.2 and we are at 0.07. It should not be a very huge distance. And all-time high should not be $1, $2, $3. That means those are used coins already. The strategy has been used and that coin has been gone from the use of strategy. It's one time strategy use. Okay. If it has not reached $1, good. That's the coin which we need. Did it reach one time $1? No. Is it very far from the current market value? Not that far, far, but not that far. Okay. Cool. Now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna give you a investment plan. Everything we saw, performance is good for whole year. It is not a meme coin, it's a cryptocurrency. Supply is very less, good potential to rise the market fast. Wherever there is a less supply, market will have a very good value in a very less time. Okay. Now, what was that name? NAVUSD. NAVUSD is at 0.07. 0.077. Okay. 0.077 USD right now. I want to have, let's go by the minimum. Let's say 20,000 coins quantity. Okay. It's not investment value. I'm talking about quantity. 20,000 coins I need. 20,000 coins. How much investment I need? Let's see. Okay. Like I said to you, your investment will be in the range of $1,000 to $2,000. Right now, price is 0.077 and my desired quantity which I want is 20,000 coin. If I multiply it by the current market value, it will be 1,540 USD. That is the value of the investment which I will be having. Okay. Now, what was my investment? Just 1,540 USD. That's all is my investment. Now, let's say the supply of NAVU USD is just 76, right? 76 point something. Let me ask. 76.94. 76.94 million. So will be quick. We can be quick due to assume 1 year passed. Now that coin NAV USD coin is at $1. Our target is just $1. Don't go for $10, $20, $30, $5. Okay. Don't be too greedy, then market will show his own real colors. Okay. So if you don't want to get trapped into the market, because most of the people they do the same thing. What they're gonna do is they're gonna buy a very huge quantity. I give you very less quantity. 20,000 is not a very big quantity. People go for lakh kind of quantity. Okay. And once, let's say, like, because of the less supply of just 76.94 million, it will have a quick growth due to this less supply. And let's say assume that 1 year is passed and coin hit $1. How much profit I will be made? Okay, so all right, I bought 20,000 NAV coin. Investment $1,540. That's all. After a year, value became $1. That 20 coins multiplied by 1 becomes 20,000 USDT. USDT is same because 1 USD equals to 1 USDT only. Okay, 20,000 USD. Your investment, let's take the investment amount, 1,540. You are having, after a year, you are having a profit of 18,460 USD. That's your profit once the target hits $1. And hitting $1 is not a hard for cryptocurrency, which supplies this less. 76 million supply is very less. It will have a very quick growth for the market to hit $1. Got it? So this is a strategy which you have to use. Check for the supply, check for the category, check for the all those coins under $1. Check the performance. If the performance is good, if the performance is growing yearly wise from single to double digit, double to triple digit, triple to 4 times as well. There are some coins which will pop up, which will be like 7,000% up, 7,000, 8,000, 14,000% up. There are such coins. Today it is not there, but someday if you keep on tracking it every day, you might see some coin like that as well. Okay, just have to buy a good quantity of it. Good quantity is a key, because that good quantity is going to be your profit. 20,000 coin, $20,000 profit. 30,000 coin, $30,000 profit. Because we are not aiming for $10. No, our target is the most smallest target, $1. That's all target we have. $1 target. We don't have a big target. $1 target is easy to achieve if the supply zone is less. I'll clear your. You may think that I'm lying or something. I'll just ask ChatGPT. If uh, he will give you probably time, like probably year or something. If NAV USDT is 0.00 supply, total supply. What? Okay, so total supply. How much How much time? That's us time. Yeah, obviously. See, if it gains fast 25% as it is gaining because it's 25 52-week high, so it is gaining the profit, it is having a performance. Okay, so it is about 12 months, like I said to you, 1 year. Or if it is gaining fast, more fast, it can happen maybe 6 to 8 months. Or if supply is low, with a low supply, but we don't have a low supply. Yeah, with a low supply, it might take 1 to 2 year under a strong market condition. That's all. 1 to 2 years. If it's growing, gaining fast move, like it says this is in a 52-week high, that means it is gaining fast movement. Then it will take 12 months. And if it goes more rapid, people are getting attention of the NAV USDT that it is going good, then 6 to 8 months. Getting in 12 months or max to max 2 years, either 1 or max 2 years, you can gain almost with 1000. Where is it? Yeah, with 1540 USDT, you can gain up to 18,460 USDT profit within a year or two, 1 or 2 year. You can gain this amount of big amount of profit. This is the best spot strategy which all the whales use. Whales focus on a little high value price, but we are not whales, so we focus on less value price. A coin which is under $1, because a coin which is under $1 has a high potential to become at least $1, and that's the only thing we have to focus on. Just $1. That's all. And this is spot. Okay, this is not a future strategy, it's a spot strategy. You can do a spot strategy, spot trading with this. Okay, if NAV grows slowly steady 10 to 20% monthly, 13, it would take 15 to 21. This is basically, like I said, 1 to 2 years. If it gains fast, 12 months. If it gains more fast, then 8 to 6 months. That's it. That's it. You understood? Just comment down at that love the strategy. If you love the strategy, if you like the strategy, just comment that yes, this is a very good strategy. Comment down, make me feel that it is a good strategy. Come on. Bitcoin ice cold at record high, indicator signal, room to run 180k, 180k, really 180k. Bitcoin ice cold at record high, indicator signal to run 180k, maybe 13 record high. What a keys? No, this is not. Yeah, the way I multiple. And the over part suggests that the one is far from overload. Okay. Suggests that the currently 15 to blah 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 blah. But I don't trust this kind of news which says like this can be achieved, that can be achieved. No, I don't trust those kind of. Oh, okay. Welcome user 880562. If you want to have a very quick buy entry, I can make you help with a very quick buy entry, very quick one, because obviously this candle will go and touch the fair value gap and can fall down. So we can go for a very quick buy situation over here. This is a fair value gap, which is trying, market came from the bottom. For this is a supply zone of the market, had a very good supply. From there it came back to the fair value gap, and it is still trying to go at that moment. One time it touched, until that point has not touched. Obviously market will try to go beyond that level. It is not ready to fall. That's why a sideways market is going on right now. So whenever there is a sideways market from the tap of the fair value gap, it will do sideways for a while. It will try the one last attempt to go above, which basically means that it will try to touch the fair value gap again. So we can go for a very simple and easy buy entry with a very small. We can enter at this point. We can just keep a target at the tip of the fair value gap, which is 121,797. That's all. You can just go for that situation, and it will be very easy, profitable situation for us. Very easy, because obviously it will give an attempt to go forward because it came from the bottom. If market travels from the bottom, it goes always goes an attempt to go for making an upward size, not a downward size. And if it goes high, and if you feel like, okay, I don't want to just keep my fair value as target, you can keep somewhere around this as your target. As the trend line is supporting, as a trend line resistance is there, every time the trend line is making the market fall down from that point. So it can happen like this as well. Like the trend line we respected, either it is respected or either it is breakout. So in any of those both scenario, it is gonna meet and go and meet the trend line. Okay. What is this news? Hmm. See, which is exactly the supply zone of here. If I just see that this is the supply zone, the supply zone meets that point where it can come to. Supply zone. Okay. This corner point can be our target point. From here, market can travel to this and may can continue to fall. Bitcoin market is going in one range. From this tap, we might see market can come to this point as well. Is this the best point to enter in the market? Can I see any divergence in the market? This is the down, bit up. I zoom it a little. Up. This is that. It's not that big difference, but it's not down as well, so no divergence. If it was showing a little downside movement, then I would have entered a buy right now, as there is a diversion in the market. कैसे खेलना चालू करें? क्या खेलना है भाई तेरे को? क्या खेलना चाहता है? गेम नहीं है ब्रो ये, दिस इज ट्रेडिंग। और जुआ तो बिल्कुल ही नहीं है ये, मतलब लगता है वैसा, है भी थोड़ा थोड़ा, थोड़ा थोड़ा जुआ तो है। कैसे खेलना शुरू करे? यहाँ से ना हल्का सा बाय लेने की इच्छा है मेरे को बहुत ज्यादा, क्योंकि एक बार टैप हुआ है बस, 2 बार टैप होने से पहले ही रिजेक्शन ले लिया है। एक लास्ट अटेम्प्ट तो पक्के से पक्का हमेशा ना एक टैप पे कभी मार्केट नीचे नहीं जाता। अगर गिरना होता तो यहाँ तक गिर जाता, पर अब वहां से सिर्फ साइडवेज जा रहा है, मतलब एक लास्ट अटेम्प्ट तो जरूर देगा। अब ये लास्ट अटेम्प्ट इधर ही जाके मिलेगा कहीं। अगर ये इसको ब्रेक कर दिया तो मेरा सप्लाई, ये वाला जो पॉइंट है जहाँ पे मेरा सप्लाई जोन मार्क कर रहा है, और ये ट्रेंड लाइन भी दिख रही है, एक ट्रेंड लाइन में ये बहुत, ये फर्स्ट टॉप रिजेक्शन, सेकंड टॉप रिजेक्शन, थर्ड टॉप रिजेक्शन ना, एक पूरा ट्रेंड लाइन के हिसाब से चल रहा है। उसी पॉइंट से अगर वो ट्रेंड लाइन को देख के जाए, ट्रेंड लाइन को ऑब्जर्व करे, तो हर ट्रेंड लाइन बराबर उसी पॉइंट पे आके टिक के वापस नीचे चल जा रही है। तो एक 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 हो जाता ना कि यार शायद तक सेकंड पॉइंट भी यहीं कहीं आके मिल जाए। ये पहला वाला था यहाँ तक था, ठीक है। ये पहले वाले का फेयर वैल्यू गैप था, अगर देखा जाएगा थोड़ा एनालिस करें, ये पहले वाले का फेयर वैल्यू गैप था एग्जैक्ट, भाई एक ये लिया उसने सप्लाई ने, एक मार्केट गिर गया। अब वही बन गया एक सप्लाई जोन की, वहां से पूरी मार्केट गिर गई, उसी पॉइंट से दूसरे ने ले लिया। अब यहाँ पे एक एक फेयर वैल्यू गैप है और एक सप्लाई जोन। मेरी मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि सप्लाई जोन से, क्योंकि सप्लाई जोन वो ट्रेंड लाइन के ज्यादा पास में। तो आई रियली बिलीव अगर खेला खेला शुरू करे तो यहाँ से करना चाहिए, यहाँ से बाय लेना चाहिए। फेयर वैल्यू तक का पहला एक सेफ ट्रेड लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि सेफ ट्रेड तो होगा, एक फेयर वैल्यू के पास जाके सेफ ट्रेड तो पक्का से पक्का होगा, वो तो फॉर श्योर। मैं एंट्री इसलिए नहीं ले रहा हूँ अभी यहाँ पे, क्योंकि मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है कि अगर देख मैंने अभी ऑलरेडी बहुत पीक पे हूँ, मतलब अगर साइडवेज का पीक देखा जाए, ठीक है, ठीक है, साइडवेज में एंट्री कैसे लेते हैं मैं बताता हूँ, ठीक है। अगर साइडवेज, क्योंकि साइडवेज में मोस्टली लोग एंट्री लेते नहीं है, पर अगर चलो समझो ले भी लिया, अगर साइडवेज में एंट्री, ये हो गया साइडवेज का पीक, ये हो गया साइडवेज का बॉटम, ठीक है। अब मैं पीक पे हूँ ऑलरेडी, पीक पे 80% चांस है यहाँ से कि मार्केट नीचे आ जाएगा, और यहां से 80% चांस है कि मार्केट उठ जाएगा। ये 20% चांस है कि यहां से मार्केट यहां पे चली जाए। ये 20% चांस के लिए मैं कभी अपना पैसा रिस्क पे नहीं लगाऊंगा। मैं मोस्टली हमेशा वेट करूंगा, अगर मार्केट साइडवेज की जो रेंज होती है, ये रेंज बोलते हैं, इस रेंज में एक पीक रिजेक्शन होता है, बॉटम रिजेक्शन होता है, सिंपल, बस यही एक कहानी है साइडवेज की। ऊपर से नीचे चल जाएगा, नीचे से ऊपर चल जाएगा, ऊपर से नीचे, नीचे से ऊपर, ठीक है। अब इस सिचुएशन में मार्केट ऑलरेडी ऊपर है, यहां से नीचे गिर गया, तो मेरी जो एंट्री है जो मैं यहां ले सकता हूं, और यहां से यहां तक का प्रॉफिट मेरा ज्यादा होगा, और यहां से यहां तक का प्रॉफिट मेरा बहुत कम होगा। ये जो है ये 20% चांस है, और यहां ये और यहां से नीचे ट्रैवल करना ये 80% चांस, क्योंकि सारा वैसे ही हुआ है, ऊपर जाते हैं नीचे गिर जाते, ऊपर जाते हैं नीचे गिर जाते, ये सारा वैसे ही होता है। तो 20% पे फोकस कर रहा हूं या फिर 80, ऑब्वियसली 80 पे फोकस कर रहा हूं, ऑब्वियसली कभी भी। तो अभी मैं एंट्री क्यों नहीं ले रहा हूं, या फिर मैं तुमको लेने के लिए मना क्यों कर रहा हूं? लेना ही है तो यहां तक का वेट करो, क्योंकि कैंडल वैसी बन रही है, चालू है, लिमिट ऑर्डर प्लेस कर सकते हैं, पर लिमिट ऑर्डर पता नहीं कहां तक गिर सकता है। चेंज ऑफ कैरेक्टर भी देखा जाए तो, अगर ट्रेंड ट्रेंड देखा जाए, ओवरऑल बिगर ट्रेंड देखा जाए, बिगर बोल रहा हूँ, छोटा नहीं, यहाँ चेंज ऑफ कैरेक्टर हो गया। ये यहाँ मार्केट बना रहा था हायर हाई हायर हाई, ये देख रहे हो, ये बन रहे थे हायर हाई हायर लो, हायर हाई हायर लो, हायर हाई हायर लो, ठीक है। यहां तक लास्ट हायर हो बना, हायर हाई हायर लो बना। अब ये जाना चाहिए था इसके ऊपर, इसके ऊपर, तब जाके ट्रेंड कंटिन्यू होता अप, बट यहाँ रिजेक्ट हो गया, इसने पिछला हायर लो भी ट्रांसफर कर दिया, ये हो गया यहाँ पे CHOCH, चेंज ऑफ कैरेक्टर। अब ये चेंज ऑफ कैरेक्टर में इसने ये पहला, ये उसका पहला है हाई, और ये पहला है लो, ठीक है। अब ये पहला हाई पहला लो, इसके बाद यहां से ऊपर गया, फिर नीचे गिरा। अब इन दो सिचुएशन में इसने क्या बना दिया, पहला बनाया इसने लोअर हाई, और दूसरा बनाया इसने लोअर लो। इंडिकेशन किस चीज का है ये, डाउन ट्रेंड का। डाउन ट्रेंड हमेशा बनता है लोअर हाई और लोअर लो से, अप ट्रेंड हमेशा बनता है हायर हाई और हायर लो से। कैरेक्टर चेंज हो गया। अभी हमारे पास एक सिचुएशन है, मार्केट ने ऑलरेडी लोअर लो बना लिया है, पर अभी तक लोअर हाई नहीं बना है। और लोअर हाई अगर देखा जाए तो पहला हाई यहां बना, दूसरा लोअर हाई यहां बना, और तीसरा ये यहां पे है, ठीक है। अगर देखा जाए तो वैसे उस हिसाब से अगर देखा जाए तो ये लोअर लो की ट्रेंड लाइन है, पूरे लोअर लो यही ट्रेंड लाइन पे बन रहे हैं, पहला दूसरा तीसरा देखा जाए तो ये चौथा भी यहीं कहीं बनेगा सप्लाई जोन के पास में। यहाँ पे मार्केट हम बहुत बीच में है, ठीक है, ना ही हम टॉप पे है कि रिजेक्शन लेके सेल की ट्रेड ले ले, ना ही हम बॉटम में है कि यहाँ से सपोर्ट लेके हम बाय की ट्रेड ले ले, हम है बीच में, वी आर एट द सेंटर। सेंटर, सेंटर हमेशा वो स्टेज होता है जहां पे कुछ भी हो सकता है, पर ट्राइवल तो लोअर लो से किया है तो ज्यादा मैक्स चांसेस है इस चीज के कि एक नया लोअर हाई बनाए मार्केट। और इसे स्ट्रक्चर समझना है, इसे भी मैंने मैन्युअली समझाया, स्ट्रक्चर, स्ट्रक्चर मैन्युअली नहीं समझता है, मेरे को नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, मेरे को नहीं समझता है ये क्या हो रहा है, ये हायर हाई हायर लो ये कैसे बन रहा है, कैसे समझ में आ जा रहा है। इंडिकेटर, फ्रॉम देयर गो टू स्मार्ट मनी कंसेप्ट लगता है, ये सारे बता देगा। चेंज ऑफ कैरेक्टर, चेंज ऑफ कैरेक्टर अभी छोटे मोटे भी बताता है, जो ओवरऑल बड़े होते हैं ये वो भी बताता है, और छोटे छोटे भी बताता है। ओवरऑल बड़े यहाँ तक चल रहा था, ब्रेकअप से ब्रेकअप से ब्रेकअप से यहाँ तक। अब बीच बीच में भी चेंज ऑफ कैरेक्टर होता है, कभी कभी बीच में एकदम से बाइंग आ जाती है, एकदम सेलिंग आ जाती है, ये बीच बीच वाले भी बताता है। तो उसमें कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है, क्योंकि मार्केट का भी अगर स्ट्रक्चर देखा जाए, अगर ये बीच में ऐसा क्यों होता है, अगर इसको जानना है ना, तो एक चीज पता, एक एक्सटीरियर स्ट्रक्चर और इंटीरियर स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ मार्केट क्या होता है वो समझो। ये क्या हो गया, इसे वेव थ्री बोलते हैं वैसे तो, ये मैंने वेव थ्री बनाई है, मैप पे ड्रॉ किया है, बट वेव थ्री के जरिए से ही हम एक्सटीरियर और इंटीरियर स्ट्रक्चर मार्केट में कैसे बनता है ये समझ सकते हैं। ये हो गया मेरा स्टार्ट पॉइंट वेव का, ये मेरी पहली वेव है, दूसरी, तीसरी, चौथी और ये पांचवी, जहां पे वेव खत्म हो गई। ठीक है, ओवरऑल क्या हुआ यहाँ पे, ओवरऑल क्या है, अगर देखा जाए ओवरऑल एक बड़े एक्सटीरियर को देखा जाए, तो ये एक्सटीरियर हमको बता रहा है कि ये चल रहा है अप ट्रेंड, यहां से लेके यहां तक ये हमारा अप ट्रेंड चालू है। मार्केट का प्राइस यहां से लेके यहां पहुंच गया है, जो एक लो प्राइस से हाई प्राइस, बेसिकली अप ट्रेंड। ठीक है, अब ये हो गया एक बड़ा पिक्चर एक्सटीरियर, पर उसके अंदर क्या चल रहा है, फिर पांच से समझते। फर्स्ट वेव, सेकेंड वेव, थर्ड वेव, फोर्थ वेव, फिफ्थ वेव। ठीक है, ये एक वेव हो गई। अब यहां से दूसरी चालू हुई, फर्स्ट वेव, सेकेंड वेव, थर्ड वेव, फोर्थ वेव, फिफ्थ वेव। फिर यहाँ चालू हो गई, फर्स्ट वेव, सेकेंड वेव, थर्ड वेव, फोर्थ वेव, फिफ्थ वेव। फिर यहाँ से नीचे करेक्टिव चालू हो गई, फर्स्ट वेव, सेकेंड वेव, थर्ड वेव, फोर्थ वेव, फिफ्थ वेव। फिर यहाँ से दूसरी चालू हो गई, फर्स्ट वेव, सेकेंड वेव, थर्ड वेव, फोर्थ वेव, फिफ्थ। अब ये जो इसमें से ये बीच में से निकल के आया, अगर इसको मैं साइड में कर दूं, ये यही है। ठीक है, मैंने यहां से चालू किया था, ये एग्जैक्टली वही चीज है, बट ये क्या है, इसका इंटीरियर स्ट्रक्चर, ये एक्सटीरियर है, ये ओवरऑल बड़ी पिक्चर में, बड़े पिक्चर में से बोलते हैं बड़े पिक्चर में क्या हुआ, ये हुआ, उसके अंदर क्या हुआ, ये है इसका इंटीरियर स्ट्रक्चर। यहां पे हमें फील होता है इंटीरियर स्ट्रक्चर में कि अप ट्रेंड चालू है, क्यों, क्योंकि हायर हाई हायर हाई हायर हाई बना रहा है। थोड़े पॉइंट के लिए एकदम से डाउन ट्रेंड वाली सिचुएशन चालू हो जाती है, लोअर लो लोअर हाई बनना चालू हो जाते हैं, फिर एक बराबर हायर हाई चालू हो जाता है, फिर लोअर लो लोअर हाई। अब इसमें क्या हुआ, अप ट्रेंड से लेके डाउन ट्रेंड आया, डाउन अप फिर आया, फिर अप फिर डाउन, फिर अप फिर डाउन, पर ओवरऑल क्या है, अप। तो ये इंटीरियर स्ट्रक्चर होते हैं, ठीक है, जो कंफ्यूज कर देते हैं। अभी इंटीरियर स्ट्रक्चर यहीं पे देखने मिल रहा है। जैसे अगर मैं पाथ वे में डाउन ये करूं, ये सिंपल, ये सिंपल, ये सिंपल, ये सिंपल, ये मेरा क्या हो गया, एक्सटीरियर, एक्सटीरियर सिंपल, बहुत सिंपल, हायर हायर लो हायर हायर लो। बट इसी में इंटीरियर क्या क्या चला, इंटीरियर यहाँ देखे, ये एक छोटा वेव बनाया इसने, यहाँ पे पहुंचा, फिर इसने एक बड़ा वेव बनाया, इसने यहाँ तक पहुंचा, फिर उसमें एक छोटा वेव बनाया इसने ऐसा यहाँ, फिर एक ये वेव, फिर एक ये वेव, फिर एक ये वेव। ठीक है, ये इसका, ये तो एक्सटीरियर हो गया। सेम मार्केट, एग्जैक्टली सेम मार्केट, जो इतना सिंपल है, ये उसी का ये इंटीरियर वे। अब इस इंटीरियर वे में समझ रहा है कि क्या अप ट्रेंड क्या डाउन ट्रेंड, नहीं, नहीं समझ। यही सिचुएशन यहाँ पे चल, बड़े वेव में देखा जाए तो ये मार्केट बनाएगा भी हायर हाई हायर लो, हायर हाई हायर लो, ये इसका एक एक्सटीरियर स्ट्रक्चर हो गया। बट उसी में ये कर रहा है, एक दो तीन चार पांच, एक दो तीन चार, पांचवे से एकदम ही बहुत अलग रिजेक्शन लिया और फिर एकदम ही डाउन, ये मेजर स्विंग हो गया। फिर यहाँ से वापस से इसने हल्का से छोटा सा एक अप ट्रेंड चालू किया, जो अभी साइडवेज मार्केट में चालू है। ठीक है, ये अभी रिसेंट मार्केट, अब ये स्ट्रक्चर कहाँ और ये स्ट्रक्चर कहाँ, ये अभी बनने वाला है, ये अभी बनने का है, ये वाला जो स्ट्रक्चर है, ये वाला जो साइड है, ये अप और ये डाउन, ये बनने का है। अभी तक सिर्फ बनी है पहली वेव, दूसरी वेव और तीसरी वेव, चौथी अभी करेक्टिव चौथी चालू है, फिर एक पांचवी आएगी जो पूरी नीचे जाएगी, ठीक है। ये उसका इंटरेस्ट स्ट्रक्चर होगा। इंटरेस्ट स्ट्रक्चर समझने में मुश्किल होती है बट आसान है जब तुम एक्सटीरियर स्ट्रक्चर पकड़ लो उसका। अगर इंटीरियर स्ट्रक्चर में एक छोटा सा रिट्रेसमेंट में अगर अप ट्रेंड समझ में आ रहा है वहां पे भी, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमेशा ही क्या करेगा पता है, अभी इंडिकेटर है, इंडिकेटर को एक ही काम है, उसको जो दिख रहा है वो बताएगा। वो ऐसा नहीं कि मैंने ये छुपा दिया तो उनको ये दिखा दिया, मैंने ये करा, नहीं, जिसका जो दिखेगा वो बताएगा। उसको यहाँ चेंज ऑफ फैक्टर दिखा, वो चेंज ऑफ फैक्टर दिखाएगा, क्योंकि उसका वो फिल्टर आउट वर्जन है कि अगर एक हायर हाई ब्रेक होता है एक लोअर हाई से तो उसको दिखाना ही है चेंज ऑफ कैरेक्टर यहाँ पे। गॉट इट। यहाँ पे छोटा चेंज ऑफ फैक्टर क्या आया कि ये अप ट्रेंड हो गया, फिर ये वापस इसने ब्रेक कर दिया, अब इसको यहाँ पे भी चेंज ऑफ फैक्टर दिखाना ही है, भले ही ये एक छोटा सा रिट्रेसमेंट ही है, बट वो थोड़ी देर के लिए मार्केट अप ट्रेंड में गई, यही समझना सर। एक इंटीरियर एक्सटीरियर अच्छा समझ लिया ना तो अच्छा हो जाता। After the change of character, there is no break of structure till now. After a change of character, there is no break of structure till now. Okay, that's why I'm saying the market is in a sideways market. So either there's two option: we wait, don't do risky entry, let the sideways get break. Sideways, how to observe if the sideways is broken, but you can put an entry over here. Okay, if the market comes down to this point, this is the base of the market, base of the sideways market. Okay, if the market eventually will come to this point, which is 80% chances, because it is at the top, it will have a rejection down. This is how sideways market goes: top bottom, top bottom, top bottom, top bottom, top bottom. We want to enter over here, this bottom, to go for the top. Okay, wait for somewhere over here the start point of the your sideways market, and we will enter for the buy side till first fair value gap and second the supply zone. My lips, my lips, your lips, lips. More minutes. कैसे खेलना चालू? I'm gonna leave in 3 minutes, guys. Okay. Thank you so much for joining this live stream. Thank you so much for being a part of this live stream. I'm gonna take a leave right now. I'm gonna go. But if you ever feel that you don't understand anything, just comment on the comment section. And if you want to learn regarding some things as well, like how to do anything, ask on the comment section. That is the most necessary thing which you have to do. Ask me. Okay. So thank you so much. And for the market right now, I really feel like, see, if it will definitely come to this point as a sideways market is going on. This is a sideways market right now. It will come till this point. Enter for the buy position. Even if it's sideways market, enter for the buy position and keep your target at the fair value gap. This is this fair value gap. Okay, cool. Bye bye, everybody. I'll see you tomorrow. Same timing, 12 to 4. I will be here for all of you people.